right. We got Mo Scarardi in the Bronx. Go ahead, Mo.
Hey, Mike. I was just wondering why the sudden firing of Joe Girardi. I don't understand how they've parted ways. The guy was one win away from the World Series. He's an amazing guy. He saved somebody on the Hutchinson River Parkway from a burning wreckage. I mean, he's a solid guy. I don't understand why you would want to replace him with some type of bodega owner guy like Tony Pena. I mean, let's be real here. I'm going to hang up and listen.
Well, you're right about one thing, Mo Scarardi. That Tony Pena should be running a bodega, not a franchise. You know, Dominicans are. They're very lazy. All they like to move is hookah coals. Let me tell you something. Steve, let me get another Diet Coke. I'm about to get spicy. Yankees are a great franchise, okay? They're the greatest franchise in the history of sports. By the way, Eli Manning, Drew Brees, stats are very comparable. But I digress. What's going on here is that the Yankees are employing way too many players of, a certain ethnicities and things like that. So, I'm going to leave it there, because I don't want to, get in trouble on the internet on, what is it, Steve, what is it called? The tweet face, the face tweeter? I don't want to do any face tweeting. So what I'm going to do right now is just introduce these two guys who may or may not be taking over for me. They're extremely racist pieces of garbage. They call themselves the Bodega Boys. I have no idea what that is. I only go to Stu Leonard's to buy the finest Malbecs. This is episode 80-something or other there. These guys can go fuck themselves. I'm retiring and being a millionaire, and I'm going to be a fat piece of shit and lay poolside. Go fuck yourselves.
Live from Red Bull Studios, New York.
Yo. Bodega Boys in the building, episode 86. You know who it is.
Yeah,
it's your favorite podcast, Yeah. Get it right at you. As always, coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street.
That's right.
Drop those horns. Do the drop.
Oh, my God. Oh, shit, they did the piano one.
Ooh, it's your boy, Desus, a.k.a. Desus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Stay Fat Like Cereal, Chris That Porcelain Dick, Eli Blippi, Butcher Booty Gully, Sober That Might Know Your Bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Desus H. Fuego. Mr. Donald Durando, 1994 Nueva York. Mikhail going off. The Juve Boss. MC Lil P. Putting up for 40 with your shorty. A.K.A. Don't Talk to Me in the Uber Pool.
Dog, I don't know you, and I'm a celebrity, so you can't actually talk to me.
All I did was ask you if you had an iPhone charger. I don't understand why you're telling me about the marital problems you were having. Just drive the fucking car. What the hell?
Go.
The original My Plus One got plus one, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Racine, the Jamaican Jew. Happy Hanukkah. It's not that yet, but yeah. Jermaine Avocado Toast. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa. Lion King 4 with Bokeem Woodburn coming out soon.
It's going to be so lit.
Simba has a gun? I don't know. Young Chakuni without the coonery, a.k.a. Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Kid, okay.
Remember that night at Locksmith when we got Toppy in the DJ booth? Hasan kept it low.
I had a little coke on my foreskin. I couldn't feel anything until Sunday morning. Hey! Two Phone Jones, Jesus Egg Machina, J. Chuckle, Stanley Cups, The Human Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute, Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240, P, because I like my Pinot blurry. Yeah.
Is that an areola or clit? I don't know.
DJ Woolite, a.k.a. you're listening to Washed FM. The Rant Cycle. Up next, we have 14 hours.
I can't wait.
Brian McKnight.
Oh my God. Show me how your pussy works.
Okay. I'm going to crash a plane and walk through a cornfield to get your love back, boo. The Curry Goat. Desus Spicer. Jamal Hasper. The Bronx Celine Dion. Ray and Nephew's nephew. You already know you cannot contain no young human meme. Word to Ja. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Henry Budquos. Yes. Nelson Bangdella. Sergio Can't See Me. Vladimir Booth in the human world is melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent. Ricky Tiki Squabby. Greg Popovich. More say with your chestnut. Muhammad Gambi. Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber.
Get longer.
Get that growth, girl. The juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush. No more cup of noodles. The Prince of Peckham. The Fashion Nova Casanova. William H. Cent. 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one. Top left,
man.
Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow.
Whoa, what a bomb.
Hey, Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off.
Oh.
Mr. Shopping at Street Easy with Bad Breezy like I'm Yeezy. Please believe me. The black Asiatic crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Mr. La Marina Mesh Marina with a fresh misdemeanor code demeanor, a.k.a. you're problematic, babe. I feel like LeVar Bell, Lonzo Bell is going to be MVP.
Yeah, that's how I take his fuego take. Episode 86, nigga. If it's you in the street, don't get 86. You feel me? It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Durag Flap, a.k.a. Donovan Big Tab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, I drop the curb and hit your bitch, a.k.a. James St. Fat Thing, I'll ghost on you, shorty, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga, a.k.a. Check this. Yo, listen, yo, Jose, we went to high school together, my nigga. If you don't check that fucking guest list again and don't front like you don't see me on TV 4 nights a week, I'm coming back in. I'm gonna give you a buck 50, nigga.
I don't see your name.
This is the 40-40 club, nigga. Stop fucking playing with me, nigga. This is embarrassing.
Come on, man. Did you say your name again? Is Frankie J?
Woo! Oh my God. Yo, listen, I will go to the aquarium and stick my hand in the tank that says, do not stick your hand in here to impress my kids. You know why, nigga? Because I'm the motherfucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Big Smack Big Boy, a.k.a. Feel the Ass Tyson. I'm trying to feel your cosmos, man. A.k.a. Friar L. Messi, MVP of La Mota, a.k.a. Tom Brady. Shorty got my balls kind of deflated, but I'm still going to ride out. You know what I'm saying? Trapito, holla at your boy. A.k.a. the Dominican Dundada, a.k.a. Barlow Santana. So smooth, a.k.a. Dick in your Bama Tumble. You not going this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. You understand me?
I'm gonna miss that pussy.
I'm gonna you take that pussy and go away. You know, it's mine now. I even block Jordan in the paint, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boss and my hands are gifted. I'll replace your cerebral cortex with an iPhone 7 dongle. Would you also like me to replace your other dongle? It's quite small.
You wasn't talking about spicy like that when Al Green ran up on you.
I mean, you know, that nigga's buns. You know, I got the thing on me at all times. You know what it is. AKA Light Nell Touchy. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. That you broke your single five. So I'm gonna have to auto-tune that shit. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet. Please secure your bezos, nigga, because it's the fucking Sandman. AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport, AKA Zeniel Bettyfield. I gotta get some sticks. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. You know what I'm saying? We live like fucking Bronx Zoo on a Wednesday. AKA East Street, my Stevie B. I wanna be the one your TV is fucking. AKA, man, ain't shit to do in OKC except drop 16 smash Becky's, but I'm still out here doing my motherfucking thing. You know who it is. Barmelos Anthony! Bang! Straight from across the pond, mate. You know it says, right? Come on, mate. You niggas downloading tunes for niche. This podcast is free. Accept it. Take it into your body, yo. The plants ain't supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. Fucking wildin' out with a 17-year-old SoundCloud rapper.
Hey.
Shout out to Lil Pump. AKA, if you see me in Target peeing in the sink, dog,
just let it go.
approach me like an earthside mammal. I have my penis in my paw, nigga. Fuck is you doing?
Oh.
And don't ask me why I got merchandise in the bathroom. I'm boosting. Mind your fucking business. You should know to approach me like an earthside mammal.
Sir,
right
you
now.
can't take that in there.
No, it's mine.
Sir, you cannot bring that TV in. You cannot bring that TV into the bathroom.
It's 4K. I need to watch it. Hasan, tírame la pista. ¿Qué es lo que? Llegó mi gente, el hijo de Tito y FIFA, coño maduro con huevo en su rendezvous. Chapi. Ya yo le llegué a tu mareo. Paga el Uber azarosa. Tú quieres juca, pásamelo 20. A mama hueva. You know what I'm saying? Catch me on taking wild the fuck out. Bill might take his shirt off and get butt shots tonight, nigga. It's crazy.
But the intro alone could be its own podcast. The fuck? Wow, the brand is strong. What the? That's just like Hamilton. Niggas just standing up, did an ovation at the end of that shit. Like, eat your heart out, Lin-Manuel.
Right.
Ah.
And we says Hamilton, he means Jeff Hamilton, nigga.
Put on a NASCAR coat.
The wild NASCAR
Let's
level
go.
was like, what's good?
Do the dipset bounce like dipset. Episode 86.
That's
For
right.
all you Met fans out there, I know you're excited. 1986 was the last time you guys got the ring. You beat the Red Sox, which is. Could you imagine that? Like being in New York and you a Yankee fan, but you got to root for the Mets. And then you like, who do you want to see win more, the Red Sox or the Mets?
It depends like what kind of like if you're a hard body Yankee fan, then it's like
Yankees only. You know what it
you
is.
know what I'm saying?
27 rings, bro.
Then it's like you almost like I feel like I have to root for the Mets in that scenario because it's like, yo, it's New York. I can never, like, my whole thing was like, I can never root for any team that has the jersey that says Boston on the front.
Right.
That is the solid concrete rule. Like, you cannot root for them niggas
Never.
at any time. Never at any point.
If there was history and like the Boston Tea Party was happening, I'd be like, ooh, they stealing?
Yo, they stealing mad tea.
Yo,
look,
teacher.
Look. He took all the Earl Greys.
Yo, he got the celestial seasoning in the bay.
Come on, yo.
Taste the water. It tastes like sleepy time.
Look, it's fucking peppermint, nigga.
Like, shut up, nigga. I'm like, sorry, sir.
Sorry. I'm gonna go back
to busting up the shit for a roll.
Somebody do. We're making a house slave thing. They were the do-up group.
We're waiting for that movie. We're waiting for that movie.
The Bodega Boys and the
Slavery. The musical. Well,
when I was in them fields getting whipped like a motherfucker, I was sad.
See,
like, what the
people
fuck
will be like, they're gonna be like, it's either gonna ruin our career or people are gonna be like, it's brilliant. It's brilliant.
I haven't seen work like this.
It's satire of satire.
It's unbelievable.
It's Inception.
Oh my God.
You watch it and you become the slave.
Oh my God.
They become the master. We're using film and cinema. They whip us into consciousness.
It's amazing the way they use comedy to highlight the problems in society. They make Trey Parker look like fucking a car parker. It's unbelievable.
Just amazing.
It's amazing.
Just drive all the awards up to them.
Yeah.
I don't know what so Emmys are for
shows.
Oscars for movies.
Tony's Broadway shit, and Grammys is
Grammys. Okay.
Yeah. So EGOT, we got an EGOT.
I don't want an EGOT.
You know what an EGOT?
No, that's it. What is the most popular of all those awards?
I think an Oscar probably.
An Oscar?
Yeah. No? Yeah. It's like, nigga, I want an Oscar, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like, because you got to make a whole ass movie.
Yeah.
Wait all year, then compete against like 6 other niggas. You know what I mean? Like, Grammys usually it's like, yo, it's like, you know, Beyonce, like some weird jazz
she
musician
show
you
up
never
for
heard
the
of.
shit.
Yeah.
They be like, the winner is Beyonce. She got the 2 twins breastfeeding them at home. Like, fuck this shit.
Skyping in like, yo,
I don't need this shit. Karuchi has like an Oscar or some shit. Or
she has an Oscar?
She has an Emmy or...
But after I seen the niggas, the type of niggas I've done win Emmys, I'm like, man.
Oh, did she win?
So shout out to
she got a daytime Emmy.
Oh, word?
Yeah.
But daytime Emmy is a daytime Emmy. Like,
damn, the shady Mero in the building with the shady
Messy
award.
Mero, that's
wow,
that's right.
I wish someone would walk in my fucking house and be like, "Oh, that's just a daytime
that's
Emmy."
A daytime Emmy?
Oh, like, oh, you ever been hit with a daytime Emmy? Get the fuck out of here! No, I'm not giving you my address. Go outside and hope the GPS can find the Uber will find you. Put in a general destination.
I used to have me to open a beer and shit. Like niggas are like, yo, stop disrespecting.
Nick, do you have the door propped open using my daytime Emmy?
Did you just split a Dutch with my Emmy, nigga? How'd you do that?
Nigga put it underneath the table to stop the shit from wobbling. I'm like,
yo, my man.
Yo, you.
Fam, that is an Emma World Award.
Yo, fam.
What's Emmy short for?
Emmanuel Lewis. They're named after. It's a memorial award for Webster. His lifetime. It's just actually Emmanuel Lewis' body in gold. It's dark.
Shit. Who's the last person to win an Oscar that wasn't a
racist?
Yeah, a piece of shit.
I don't know. That's a very broad question. They don't just give out one.
Does Harvey Weinstein win? Do the executives win Oscars? Did Harvey win? He has 4 Oscars?
Harvey Weinstein was out here.
Yeah, bro.
And what's also weird is he was out here, and now everyone else that was out here with him is coming out.
They're like, yo, he was wildin'.
They know it's like dominoes because they're like, it's getting too close. And they're like,
let me get in front of this shit.
You can't get in front of it. You was out here doing all type, and they was violated. Like...
Fam, if you like, yo, come on, like that's the thing, like, I feel like we said this so early on in the show, like, don't finesse the choach, my nigga, like, just like.
Is that just? I mean, now I'm wondering because I'm like, yo, we was chilling in Hollywood, like all them niggas we met, are they all doing that?
You know what I'm saying? Wow, all you niggas is out. Oh, you man that been in the beating before, suck my dick. No, sorry.
Wow. I'm not sure what the where that reference was from, but thank you for highlighting the systematic abuse that women face in the industry.
No, it's not.
With a DMX quote.
That was a DMX quote. I was like, no, that was not. Please, that was the great philosopher DMX. I'm not attributing that to myself. I can't. My wisdom is not that vast.
How come they're not bringing up Trump though? Like we got Trump on tape saying he did it. There's mad women that came out and said it, and then everyone is just like, nah, let him cook.
You know what I'm saying? Because who ran with this first? Like, I don't know what news outlet ran with this. I mean, but you just look at this guy and it's like, yo,
Trump is untouchable.
You know what I'm saying? Like, he is really John Gotti right now.
He said it too. He was like, yo, I could shoot someone in the middle of Fifth Avenue. It's nothing.
Yeah, I could shoot somebody. My base should still be with me. It's nothing. I'm out here.
Cap a nigga at midnight.
It's nothing, baby.
Listen, I don't have to wait for the 4 train to come.
You dig?
Pop you with a loud gun. Bang, bang. Shoot you in the dome piece. Your mother can't even bury you. Open casket. How you feel? Cash.
Niggas were being rocking RIP t-shirts on the block for years, nigga. Your face look like yogurt.
Come on my mentions again, you're gonna end up on the side of fucking Bodega. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be airbrushed. Don't even look like you.
Oh my gosh! I think anybody that got their face airbrush on the side of a building,
no, probably
don't
not.
Look like them
Because they're probably dead.
Yeah, I mean, they're definitely dead. That's the only reason you get. I mean, like, you don't.
You gotta pay. You gotta pay
it's like niggas. You can't do a positive thing in the hood to get a mural. You gotta die.
It's just weird if you're if you're still alive walking past your mural.
But
shit,
I'm saying,
you know
like, what if you're like the first thing on your block to get a PhD? Like, niggas should give you a mural. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
like,
I mean, you can't flex with a PhD on your block though. Like, that's good for Twitter. Like, you can put that on Twitter, that should get like 41,000 retweets. Like, look, positive black man.
Yeah.
But if you stand on, if I'm in a barbershop, you got a PhD, and I don't.
Pussy
I'm not
dick,
waiting.
Nigga. That's what that shit stand for.
Also, there's no way for me to know you have a PhD because you can't wear that shit like a Ferragamo belt.
You could. If you hood it up, you could rock. Because niggas would rock the 2 little clips, like when their man gets shot or whatever, with the wild 8x12.
Sleeping power.
Yeah, come on. You know what I'm saying?
Yo, even the fucking way you rep dead people changed. Because it used to be like, yo, rest in peace. It's like, yo, sleeping power.
Sleeping power, my nigga.
That sounds mad stressful. Like, nah, let me rest in peace.
Nigga.
I don't want to be dead and also tweeting like, yo, dead niggas sleep, real niggas grind. Like, yo,
bro. I don't want to be doing
wild calisthenics in my casket and shit,
bro.
trying to work out,
no.
trying to be fit for summer and shit.
No.
I do a push up, my jaw fall off.
No,
nah,
dog. I want coffee with oat milk, nigga, and slippers. Like wool-lined slippers.
I don't imagine you go to heaven and that shit is just like mad, like motivational speaks and like niggas just jogging and shit. Like,
whoa, Joel Osteen, chill the fuck out.
Guy got the wild tight schedule for you. Like, yo, we got aerobics and we're working on your legs. I was like, nah, nigga, I was just gonna chill on the cloud and find some weed up here,
nigga. Like, I was just trying to get high and watch Jesus flicks, nigga.
Do they got weed in heaven?
I mean, weed is not evil. What, is it?
It's made by, as everyone who wants to keep weed legal all of a sudden becomes Jamaican and says it's made by Jah or it's from the earth.
It's from the earth. That's true. It is. It is a plant. Cat Williams said this shit. It's a plant and it just grows like that.
I'd be, if I was God, I'd be
a very deep observation.
If I was God and I caught you smoking weed in heaven, I'd be tight.
Yeah.
Like, this ain't enough, nigga.
Like
nigga, you living on a cloud.
Come on, son. Like, you live on it, and your iCloud is like your iCloud and shit. It's like has unlimited storage and hype and shit. Like, your shit never gets hacked.
I'm like, really? Really? That's like if you were a pretty chick and your man cheats on you with like the wild dub, and you like, really, nigga? It's like, yo, man.
Niggas like, yo, I'm gonna send you down, man. You got 2 more strikes.
Fam, I'll send you right the fuck
down. Stop playing, nigga.
God be sending people to hell the way our parents be sending people back to like DR and Jamaica.
Yeah, nigga send you to hell. But hell and purgatory is just the BBQ's waiting room. Like when you're waiting for a table. Like, yo, man.
Like, yo, you
Party of 25 up next.
She like, oh God, we ain't never good. How y'all got 25?
We 3 people. We've been here for 20 minutes. How y'all got space for 25?
Please.
Who did you leave your name with? Am I the person you left your name with?
Do I look like Tamika? Tamika's over there.
Okay, so if you didn't leave your name with me, guess what? Boo, stupid. The reservation time resets. Please stand to the left.
Here. Here's a buzzer. Psych.
No buzzer is BBQ. BBQ is like you go there and when your table's ready, they're like, yeah.
Yo, you good, my nigga?
Yeah. Yo, Gonzalez, party of 4.
Y'all good. Yo, y'all got 5 minutes. Go finish that L.
Yo, you
Niggas
need a booster seat? Because your baby's OD obese. I don't think it could fit in that. You might want to sit at the table.
That nigga got fatter thighs than Black China, nigga.
Yo. Also, by the way, our special today is for $2 more, we will glaze anything in Hennessy. a toy, a child, your car.
Your napkins, nigga, you know what I'm saying? Your face.
You get like 6 hot wings and shit the size of like a toddler's ankle. You're like, what the fuck chicken is this, my nigga?
Straight hormone chicken, nigga.
BBQ uses straight pterodactyl. I'm like, yo, where you getting these?
Yo, niggas getting their chicken from Biogenesis Farms and shit.
Chickens like, lifting weights and shit like, lock in.
Nigga got Terry Crews chicken, the fucking titty mouse.
Yo, it's like just organic and shit.
Yo, nigga, what the fuck?
Walk in, you try to go to the bathroom at BBQs, you walk into the raw room, it's like a chicken bent over, another chicken injecting it in the butt.
Hey, bro, privacy, bro.
Yo, raw room.
Come on, bro.
Like, screw God. He puts it in the butt. He's like, screw God.
Nigga, you grab the chicken wing, should smack you. Like, yo, what the fuck?
Fuck you grabbing, nigga.
Fuck,
Like,
nigga.
oh shit,
Fuck is you, nigga.
This poultry's really fresh. BBQ is the only place where they tell you how long your food is gonna come out, and then they wink at you like, yo, so if you want to go smoke your blunt, you know what I'm saying? We'll be back. I'm like,
the little exits right
I'm
there.
like, yo, who brings a blunt to BBQ? And then they bring you out like a taster's table of fucking blunts and shit.
Pre-rolls and shit. Like, yo, here, this is gelato. This is Skittles. You know what? It's a fire gas.
I can tell that this is not
13.
your usual woman. This is clearly some side chick. So, may I recommend this?
The low area.
The low. Here's a grape entourage. I think you two will enjoy this.
Yo, niggas take you to get low when you with your side bitch. Like, yo, there's a side bitch area.
Yeah, they
Shit is like on the outside. It's a side bitch
it's like in the shadow of like a pillar and shit. So when you walk in, you might be able to see me, but not whoever I'm at the table with. Like, is Jesus in here eating alone? I'm like, yeah.
I'm sad.
Yeah.
Yo, you know what I'm saying?
She's like, why it's so dark in here? I'm like, nah, it's like they not allowed to give out candles in
what I'm saying?
BBQ because niggas will start fires.
I mean, I'm just trying to be low. I hear you.
It's romantical. I remember I dated a girl and she used to use that as a word. She was constantly say it to me. She was like, "You're not romantical enough for me," and I'd be like,
Stop saying.
"I'm like, that's not a word." She's like, "See, this is what I'm talking about. You're not listening to what I'm saying. You're concentrating on the words." She was right.
It's true.
She was also kind of an idiot.
Yeah.
But
yeah. I feel like people, if you're an idiot, like you could at least, the least you could do is be like, all right, I'm an idiot.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like I got a couple friends that
but
are
if you're
idiots, and I'm
slow,
like,
you don't
yeah,
realize
I'm an
you're
idiot.
slow. You think everyone else is slow too.
And this bugs me out because it's like, bruh, clearly we're not all slow. Like all 10 of us are on the same page, and you're the one that's like,
no, if you're
Columbus
slow,
Day is celebrated by Colombians. Why?
See, if you slow, you don't pick up on
You
shit
know what
like
I'm
that.
saying?
Because a smart person could play dumb, but a dumb person can't play smart.
Shit. Nigga.
Damn, I'm talking that jail shit now, nigga.
Oh, you know what I mean, God.
I'm trying to run a nigga for his suits and his shoes.
A
Like,
kufa
yo,
just appeared on this nigga's head.
get woke, nigga. Get woke. You know why they serve you cheese inside prison? Because who runs prison? Rats.
That's right, brother. Half of us in here because of a motherfucking rodent.
Let me ask you something. If you in here, but you reading, guess what? You more free than the people outside.
That's right, brother.
Because you know what? In here, you constricted. But
know what I mean?
outside, they're afflicted.
That's right.
Okay?
Utilize your time wisely, brother. You know what I'm saying? Like Ronald Isley, brother. I don't even make sense, but it rhymes, my brother.
Give a hoot. Don't pollute.
That's right.
Don't be a dirty bird.
You know what I mean? Only you can prevent forest fires.
Growing up as a kid, I was like, yo, what the fuck? Like,
Me?
I was like, I'm not nigga. I was like, I don't know no
Forest?
forests.
The closest thing I
Forrest
seen to a
Gump?
forest, nigga, what? Like, I seen Crotona Park, nigga, that's the closest thing I seen to a forest. Like, what are you
Forest
talking about?
Whitaker? I don't know. What the fuck you talking about? I was like, nigga, there's like crack and shit. Niggas getting shot in the neighborhood.
Fam.
Y'all worried about forest fires?
There was one little ass tree on my block, and I tried to light this shit on fire one time because I was like, yo, there's no way that you can light it. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, is it true? Can a tree go on fire? And like,
I was
it
about to
didn't
say
happen.
you were a bad kid. Like, why were you trying to light shit on fire? But yeah, I did the same thing.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
It happens.
You do all types of foul shit when you're a kid.
It just be bored.
Yeah.
Just free time.
My parents used to send me to DR. I used to sharpen a bobby pin and tie it to a twig with a rubber band and just like shoot lizards and bugs and shit, like big ass spiders and shit like that. Just be like, whoosh, it's like archery.
So you'd hate dogs and you have a history of torturing animals. You are going to be
I'm probably a psychopath, right?
yeah, sociopath.
A sociopath.
Sociopath.
So
You
does that mean I'm
are
gonna kill somebody or do something wild?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't.
Yeah, you're gonna be they're gonna call you the cul-de-sac killer.
Oh shit.
It's gonna be lit though.
The Dykeman Diddler. Like, I'll just be
Yeah.
like,
Oh, wow.
Shit.
Wow. And everyone's gonna be like, yo.
Agua Roja was really Agua Roja last night as Mero started a bloodbath.
They're gonna be like, yo, Desus. They're gonna put me to the side, like, yo, Mero, I think Mero was killing people. I'll be like, no, come on.
I'm on Instagram live on a shooting spree. Oh my
God.
Oh my god, it's got really dark. This got really dark, guys. I got too much to live for. I got 4 beautiful children.
You
know what I'm saying? Like,
sociopaths don't care. They don't care about. They don't care about how what they do affects other people. That's the thing. So you can continue loving your kids and living your life.
then not care about other people.
Yes, you could be like the BTK killer, bound torture kill.
Torture kill?
He used to
but you know what it is?
install
Like,
alarms in people's homes.
I don't have a stomach for that. Like I don't have a stomach to like cut a nigga up and do all that type of shit. It's wild. Like I get skeeved out like. Cause I'm a lazy, like I'm a cheap nigga, so instead of buying like the drumsticks and the flats separated, like I'll just buy the whole wing and cut them myself. And like just doing that is just like, it makes me feel like, which my dad would be ashamed that my dad should fly through the window right now and smack me in my face.
It's different, like if the person's like they're screaming, you got the adrenaline running, you're laughing, like,
Yeah.
it's different. It's fun.
Yeah. Okay, fucking Jesus Bale over here.
Yeah.
White Plains Psycho.
I just got on a whole chemical suit, playing wild TV on the radio.
I feel like
come through with a chainsaw.
I feel like either of us is capable of killing somebody. Like absolutely. Like
There's a difference between killing people and like locking them in a room for days and torturing them with a crack pipe.
that is very different.
Okay.
That is very different. I feel like I definitely got the heart to just shoot a nigga in the head, like,
Yeah.
but like stab you 100 times with a butter knife. I don't know about that.
Lock you in the dark and just drip Vienna sausage water on your head
Torture,
slowly,
nigga.
like
Torture.
Doink, 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 and it's driving you crazy. But it's also the only food you're getting,
And
so
it's-
you have to like try to catch it with your tongue. And you're like,
But eventually it just starts drying before it even reaches your mouth. You just start reaching up with your tongue, but your tongue is cracking and dry, and you're just dying slowly.
and
It only
like,
takes 7 days to dehydrate and die.
yeah,
It takes 30 days to die of starvation, 7 days to die of dehydration.
okay.
Yeah. Well, human body's like what, more than 50% water?
I mean, is it painful to die of dehydration?
Absolutely. Your tongue swells up first. That's the first thing to happen, which restricts your breathing. And then you just literally asphyxiate slowly. It's the worst thing that ever happened. That's why that movie about that dude that we were talking about last week, Buried Alive, had me mad shook because
Yeah.
I was like, yo, if that's like my nightmare is being buried alive in a coffin and some shit like that.
They just found 2 women on a boat with 3 dogs. They were trying to
Smuggle them in?
no, they were trying to like drive their plane. No, drive their boat. I don't know what that. Oh, sail their boat. I don't know. I said drive, but they got off course and they've been missing for 90 days. And the Navy found them. Like, yo, fam.
That's 3 months, dog.
Like, what were
you
what
were
were you
missing for an
doing?
entire like album cycle, man.
What were you doing?
Like you didn't even know
Like
the Drake dropped.
no one was like, yo, that's not a good idea. Like, don't fuck with the ocean, y'all.
Fam, I watched
Too
these
much could
shows.
go wrong
Look,
with that shit. The ocean gotta be the worst shit. Because imagine now, you wild thirsty and you are surrounded by water you can't drink.
Can't drink, dog. And that's how you fuck up because you're like, finally, you're just like, fuck it, I have
Fuck it,
to.
let me take it.
10 days later, you're like, I'm
You
throwing
throwing
up and shit. Yeah, whole intestines is basically beef jerky.
You gotta start killing birds and then eat. You gotta drink the retina fluid in their eyes. And that's not enough, so you like catching fish and like drinking their blood.
Oh man,
We gotta do a survival movie.
Yeah,
Like we wash up and then like we like help, and like
We end up being in Long Island and shit.
niggas just at La Marina. Niggas is like for like 90 days and shit. Instead of SOS. I see a boat.
Yo.
I see a, meanwhile behind us is just a Major Deacon. Yo.
DJ Camelo comes and rescues us.
He's like, oh, I'm just,
DJ Camelo to the rescue.
I was like, I'm just opening up for the spring. I'm like, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Oh my God.
God.
We think supplies wash up is just a box of Tim's. We're like, close enough.
Oh my God, it's the DJ Cast One. Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you.
Mero, are you hallucinating? I smell fried pig ears. Some days I swear I can hear Dykeman. Some days I swear.
I can hear the soft clap of fake ass cheeks.
One day we'll get off this damn rock. This godforsaken rock. It's like white people just jogging past us. Like, top of the day.
Top of the day. Good morning,
Good
guys.
morning and Morningside Heights. Hey, are you guys LARPing?
I'm about to burn out like bitch sleep. Pow pow pow.
Oh, wow.
Damn,
son.
Where'd
you find
that?
this?
Oh my God.
I'm glad you asked. I got it from Usher.
Oh. Is he? He's never gonna shake that. That's it. That's forever. Or is that subject to internet time?
That's how he got it, by shaking that.
Oh! Nigga said, "Oh, sure, got the penis out there, make it go." You know what I'm saying? Like, yo, come on.
That's what it sounds like when you pee now. Like,
Nigga's like, oh my God. Nigga, my dick hurts so much.
Damn,
There's
Usher.
so many ways to burn you.
The thing is, Usher was just laying low under the radar.
That's it, bro.
Like,
Secret Haitian laying low.
laying low.
Come
Not
on.
problematic.
Nah.
It's like that DJ Envy thing. Like,
bruh, what
I was
was
in the car-
Envy doing before that? Like, he was just chill. Like
who goes at Envy? Like, who wakes up like, yo, let me
Light up
either
Envy.
make up some screenshots or leak screenshots from DJ Envy?
Like, bruh.
And then I'm listening on the way here, the Uber, they were playing Breakfast Club, and they were talking about the Powerhouse riots yesterday, because if you have a concert in Brooklyn, some niggas is buying concert tickets, other niggas is going to strap their Timbs up tight and try to jump the barricade. That's how it is.
And they had like Uzi and Travis and niggas that incite excitement. You know what I'm saying? Like, so... What were you expecting, dog? Like, you know what I mean? That's what happens. Niggas said, remember that Norris kid? When you get CNN, expect the stabbing, expect the fight in the crowd, expect the shooting.
Niggas get a little blood on your mink. You can wash it out.
You can wash it out. You know what I'm saying? Take it to the cleaners.
Yeah, but Charlamagne was going in on MG.
Yo, my God.
Hilarious.
Yo, shout out to Charlamagne. Shout out to Charlamagne for making light of literally anything possible. Like,
anything. That's a talent.
Yo, Shorty wifey might be holding him tight as fuck. And this nigga Charlamagne's like, yo, but I don't understand why you don't like the real penis instead of the GMO penis.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, my God. Why?
Why? Tell him that is you. Yo, did you see that?
Kylie Jenner appropriated another culture?
The who?
Kylie Jenner appropriated another culture?
Yeah, but is she pregnant by Travis Scott?
Oh, shit.
Straight up. Shout out to Travis Scott. He was supposed to come through this week to put a hat on Juice Box.
Not even gonna blow it up, don't worry.
Don't blow it up, thank you. Keep it low. The secret society, all we ask is trust.
That's right.
He was supposed to come through, but his flight got delayed. He didn't punk out.
Yeah, no,
he was definitely pulling up. He said he was pulling up.
He said he was pulling up.
So don't be out there talking about Travis Scott, his buns.
Yeah, no.
He's coming through.
He's cool.
He's cool.
You know what I'm saying? He's a fan of the show.
Shout to Travis. We were playing cornhole yesterday with Ty Dolla $ign and Baby Bash
and Frankie J.
And they were playing for $100 a bag. Shout out to everyone from Minnesota. Pronounce it back.
You know what I'm saying? But yo, that shit was wild.
That was wild. And smoking weed.
Smoking weed too.
Ty Dolla $ign had his own type of weed. Baby Bash got their own type of weed. I looked at Mero like, nigga, this is our life now.
This is it.
You know what I'm saying? Number one show at late night. Desus and Mero, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Nothing but illustrious guest ball bags. Check us out, Neo Yokio. If you didn't see it, go see it now. If you've seen it already, watch it again.
You know what I'm saying? And write into Netflix and be like, we need season 2 right now. We need season 2.
Cut that check.
And these need to get paid like quadruple what they got paid initially.
Just signed a Nike deal.
Oh, shit.
Shout out to Marcus Jordan. Came through the fresh Jordans. You know and the welcome to the family letter.
That's right. So pretty soon we're going to be at Jordan's house getting our Duke Blue Devils shorts thrown in the trash.
Yeah.
And our Iversons getting thrown in the trash.
That's some Shad Ma shit. Do we have to stop slandering Jordan on here? Nope.
I guess not.
No, he said it was cool.
He said it was cool? Okay.
Listen, this is what the brand is. The brand is strong. And the brand has to stay authentic. Now, if we just come out here and we start giving the Wild Dick Flu Solo the products for no reason,
you know what it is. Yeah,
like you know we're gonna sell out, but we're gonna sell out slowly. We're gonna give you a chance to be like, yo, these niggas, you're gonna see it. You'll be like, oh, they starting to sell out.
Okay,
and you'll start enjoying the podcast a little less. We're gonna wean you off. We are gonna Narcan the podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
It's like, we're gonna put the thumb in first, see how you feel about it. Just leave it in there. You know what I'm saying? If you don't complain, pull it out, you know what I'm saying? Put it back in, you know what I'm saying? Then when you're like, hey, Bobby, then we're going to hit you with the full sellout. You know what I'm saying? The whole Pishka deal.
Hey.
And we're doing fucking Captain Crunch ads and shit like that with fucking Captain Crunch suits on and like diving off of boats. All types of wild shit.
When we're dabbing on stage with Ellen.
Oh, I can't wait.
Can't wait.
So
what's a chopped cheese?
Oh my God. Can you guys take me to get one? He's like, I went down to the Bronx, New York City to get a chopped cheese.
When we do a field piece with Ellen, that's when we've officially sold out.
We have officially sold out and I cannot fucking wait.
Cannot wait. All these housewives are going to be like, oh my God, the Bodega Boys is so funny.
Oh. Damn.
What else happened?
Who's going to start gunning for niggas now? Like, this, like, I feel like there's a lot of, like, people. I mean, not violent people. I'm speaking more in, like, a romantic sense. That people are trying to, like, yo, what's up? Like, yo, you're popping. Like, you're more popping. Like, I see your trajectory. Like, what's up? Like, hey. Like,
well, I didn't want to make it hot.
No, don't make it hot, but like, you know what I'm saying? Like, as a single man, like, how do you navigate that?
How do I navigate that? Date. Well, low key, shout out to my secret boo, Mississauga top left. Shout out to my secret American boo, Helen Moran.
I'm so paranoid. Like you said, I'm a sociopath, so I'm always constantly paranoid, and like, I think the world is plotting against me. So I'm like, yo, anybody that I would meet would be like, yo,
out to get your money, and
like, yo,
doesn't
like,
care about the actual person, just cares about the fame and the bright lights and everything that comes with the kid Mero, and just wants to be in the picture.
I feel like
and
Drake.
next to you on the step and repeat.
Am I Drake?
You're Drake.
Oh my God.
No, it's a valid fear.
That's crazy.
It's a valid fear, but I mean, the thing is, if you're with people long enough, you'll find out their true intentions.
True.
Unless you're an idiot, then you just can't see through the shit. I also don't trust people. Okay, GBE at the top is just us, nigga.
That's right. Yeah.
And I don't really trust niggas. But no, like the other day, I guess somebody thought I was coming at their girl on Instagram and DM me like a picture of their conversation.
What?
And I was like, I didn't even reply. I was like, yo, fam, I'm not coming at your girl. I've never liked her pictures or nothing. I guess she liked my pictures. Listen, shit is messy, man.
Yo, man.
She's messy. Don't let Instagram ruin your relationships.
Come on, B. Like, talk about it.
Don't be on
Communication is
social.
key.
Don't be on social media. Just be social.
And send media.
That's it. That's
Okay,
it.
okay.
If you want, you could put that on a JPEG and post that with your face for Facebook. Start your own brand on Facebook. That's annoying. Start like Monday Motivation.
Yeah.
Just a picture of you mad close to the camera saying some weak shit like, yo.
Use Bitmojis too. You know what I'm saying? Use all that corny shit.
You know what I'm saying? They call them Mondays because Davies.
Sade was whack, man.
Like boom. Like damn, you didn't really nail the landing on that one, but we'll post it on gleaner.com. Yo, shout out to Square Cash.
Yeah, shout out to Political Dreams, which has officially come to a close. Thank you for everybody who has participated.
Thank you to everybody whose lives we changed with
That's
Bodega
right.
Bucks and Bodega Dreams.
That's right.
Right now, we're still keeping it going. Right now, we're doing Be Excellent Academy.
That's right.
We're funding that academy in the Bronx.
That's right. Shout out to Pink Rain Academy. Anna Sosa running things over there.
saying.
Doing amazingly. Recently featured on Latinos Out Loud podcast. You know what I'm saying?
We should have a graduation coming up soon.
Word.
Right? Their
Yeah.
cycle's ending soon,
Nice.
so we'll probably be at that. It's all good.
Nice little nice. Oh yeah, wow. That's how benevolent, bro. Bring Ruben Diaz out there and shit. Like shoot dice and shit.
Announced that we're going to be the first people running for Bronx borough president. Two people though.
Yeah.
It's both me and Mero, and we're also running to be the new manager of the Yankees.
Oh wow.
If you could run the Yankees, what would be the first thing you could change?
Aaron Judge is batting fourth now, right? I might switch him to 5. And Gary got to work on his defense, B. I'd be like, fuck hitting. You're not going to take a single swing all offseason. All I'm going to do is throw 100-mile-an-hour balls at the plate. You know what I'm saying? From the outfield for you to catch and tag runners. Because that really kind of blew the series for us against the Astros.
I probably would have
bitter.
I probably would have just gotten rid of Cotton Eye Joe, but you know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. Yo, those
I know
guys
the
are
manager.
Swedish.
The manager got nothing to do with that, but
I feel like the manager can make that call. Is that why Joe Girardi got fired? He's like, that Kind Eye Joe song is really getting on my nerves, guys. And George Steinbrenner's ghost is like, get the fuck out of here.
I love that song. Where did they come from? Where did you go?
Where did you come from, Kind Eye Joe?
Oh, that's a
Brian Cashman is lit though. He does his thing. But you gotta get Jacoby Ellsworthy. Got to get the fuck out of here, bro. Like as soon as they got him, I was like, yo, this dude is a wing. Like he's made out of tissue paper. Like he's trash.
Cotton Eye Joe's about an STD.
Is it? The real meaning behind Cotton Eye Joe
That's crazy.
is that the nigga will burn your pee-pee. One day, Cotton Eye Joe, where did you come from? Where did you go? When I pee out my pee hole, she burns like a motherfucking hole. Go.
Oh, sorry. Because got caught in a wild Wikipedia hole. Like, yo. Because I didn't want to be on here and be like, yo, Cotton Eye Joe's about an STD. And then have people be like, no, it's not Jesus. But I forgot. The mantra of this podcast is facts don't matter. They've never mattered. Not going to matter now.
Stupid.
If the president don't believe in facts, I don't got to believe in facts.
No, this is Fact Free Zone. Victor's out here on business
It's
calls
the
doing
Fact
wheeling and
Free
dealing.
Zone. Oh, that should be the name of our ESPN show.
Yeah.
Fact Free Zone.
Fact Free Zone.
Oh, you guys didn't know we was getting an ESPN show?
Yeah.
Are we? Maybe we are.
Maybe we're
not.
Maybe we're not. We could neither confirm nor deny. I will
No.
leave you guessing.
I feel like the bells of the ball. I feel like a light skinned girl with curly hair. You guys are all chasing me.
Yeah, but we got a lot of meetings coming up. So, yo, listen, if you're not pulling up to the ring truck, don't even bother.
Oh, don't forget, we're in the new Medea Boo movie.
Yep.
I'm not telling you which characters we play.
Not
The
gonna
black
tell you
one
at
and the
all.
Dominican one.
Yep. That's right. And we're going to be
in drag.
We're in drag.
Marcus.
What movie was it where Ving Rhames wore drag?
Holiday Heart.
Holiday Heart.
And it's on BET right now. Right now.
Why did you just the Dracula movie? I never watched the whole movie. What was the purpose?
I've never seen the whole movie because what usually happens is I'm flicking through the channels.
You see Ving Rhames in a wig?
I see Ving Rhames in makeup and a wig, and I'm like, what the fuck is this? And I turn and I watch like 30 seconds. Like, oh, it's Holiday Heart, and I turn away.
Okay.
One day I'll find out what the movie's about. You know how some things you just don't care enough?
Yeah, I don't.
Like every now and then you'll see a tweet, and it's like, what happens next will shock you. And you're like, not really.
I'm
good. I don't need to see that.
I've seen Prison Song 100 times. I still don't understand what the actual premise of the movie was.
How the fuck do we talk about Prison Song every episode?
I know. But it's just like a fucking enigma.
It's not an enigma. You bring it up every episode. It's not that good a movie. Stop bringing up fucking Prison Song. I've had enough.
It's a great movie.
I'm embargoing Prison Song.
I have a tag in the movie. That's why I'm so gassed about it.
Next time he brings up Prison Song, I want it bleeped out. Tired of this shit. All right, you got to make new content. At this point, they're just repeating episodes 31 through 34.
Who said that? I'll punch him in the face.
I mean, we talk about nigga. Even Fat Joe and Q-Tip don't talk about Prison Song this much.
No, they probably won't want to talk about that. They want to keep that off the resume.
Do you know when you talk to rappers and stuff, they don't want to talk about shit from 10 years ago?
Hell no.
Do you want to talk about shit from 10 years ago?
They get so mad.
Yeah, because they got
even
new
if it's
shit.
classic shit though. Like,
but think about it. To you, it's classic shit, but they've put out more shit that when you talk to rappers, all their new shit is also might be classic as well.
Yeah, but that's how they feel.
Like we've talked to rappers who were like, "Yo, I was in the booth last month and blah blah blah. My next album is as good as my first album." Like, nah, chill, fam.
Think about it like this: 20 years into the future, we're doing fucking knock jokes on fucking Vegas. Somebody else is like, "Yo, Desus and Mero, Bodega Boys reunion tour. You guys could be yourselves again." Da 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 da. Isn't that refreshing?
No, it's not.
Why? Because you think he'll die on stage?
No, because like, why would I want to go back to this? Like, look. Like, shout out to this. We're in illustrious Red Bull Studios.
I mean, like, just the vibe.
No, that's what I'm saying. Shout out to illustrious Red Bull Studios, crystal clear clarity. Took an Uber here. Shit is pretty comfortable. Okay. I'm sure in like 10 years, I'll probably have like the PJ, have mad houses and shit. No, like that, my everyday, like, in 10 years, my worst day is going to be better than my best day right now, as Jay-Z said. So why the fuck would I want to go back to it? So why do I want to revisit this shit, nigga? Bigger and better.
Think about this. Would it satisfy your desire to create something that core fans would appreciate? I sound like fucking James Lipton right now.
You do. But think about like our core fans now, like when we're on One Direction numbers, we have like 5.5 million people and like little blonde white kids passing out at the fucking live shows during the AKs and shit.
Crazy.
It's gonna be like the Michael Jackson concerts. Niggas got stretchers. Niggas is running niggas out and shit. They throwing water on people's faces like, my Melo's Anthony. My Melo's Anthony.
Yo, I can't believe it. Yo, I used to watch that mic footage and be like, yo, how?
Niggas is, fake.
How?
See, don't talk about Michael Jackson ain't the greatest. Like,
fam, I mean,
he's right there with Beyonce. But
he had niggas fainting at the shows.
That's what I'm trying to reach, nigga. Why you trying
as
to
soon as
follow
he
me
hit the
with this
first,
shit?
Niggas was losing it.
I want at the next live show when niggas just hear that the opening bars and shit. I want someone one of y'all faint.
Yeah.
If you faint, you get a t-shirt.
Yeah, straight up. If you pass out, you get a t-shirt.
Like everyone pass out. Niggas be like, oh, we got carbon monoxide there poisoning at the Globe Theater. Yeah. Listen, when we doing that, it's gonna be us, Cardi B, and J-Lo at a Vegas residency. Cardi B just doing 4 versions of fucking Bodak Yellow.
Oh man, Bronx burlesque. You know what I'm saying? And they all come out like mad skimpy outfits, and we come out in like waist trainers and shit. Like,
we come out with the fucking tux, like the blue tux with the ruffles and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like. Start dancing flamenco and shit like that.
We do the AKAs. I do my AKAs in Spanish. And everyone's like, oh,
wow.
At the end, I was like, how was that? Muy bien.
Muy bien. Oh, sí.
Just sad. Sponsored by Adobo and Seatown.
And Alberto's Mofongo House.
It's the wild, stereotypical Bronx setting, even though we haven't been to the Bronx like 20 years. It's like a shipping barrel, a car with no tires, some graffiti, a burned out building. It was like the Bronx doesn't even look like that anymore.
Come on, this is 2015.
We have breakdancers in the back.
It's like fucking the actual fucking Turbo from Ozark.
Bodega Boys.
Oh shit, niggas
don't play with no toys. The Bodega Boys. We are popping and locking.
They got the broom and shit. He's like,
They're like, what exactly what time period were they trying to recreate on stage? Because their podcast was popular in 2015. I believe they're doing Beat Street. That was 1985.
It's an 80s reference.
I mean, Mero just touched the train track and died. Like, he's not Remo.
He's not Remo. It's incredible. That was such an ill scene in the movie when he did the broom dance. Tour de France. Shut the crowd for it.
Breaking. That washed movie.
That is such a wash movie. Yo, you can tell movies are washed because the dialogue sounds so fugazi. Like, it doesn't sound natural at all.
I mean, that was probably natural back then. Maybe. I don't know.
Like, I'm trying to ask my parents, like, did y'all talk to each other like that? Like, yo, you really got to stop playing games, yo. You got to step up and be a man.
I mean,
stop with this graffiti shit. It's leading nowhere.
I mean, that was a conversation many people had in the 80s, I'm sure.
I don't know if they delivered the lines like this, though.
That's how people took it in the 80s.
All the time.
Look at you. Just stop being shady. I'm over here drinking gravy with my lady.
Let me get the green tops 2 for $5, my brother. I'm trying to get high, my brother.
Hey, my brother, looking fine. I like to stop you and ask the time.
Like, also, can I cop a dime?
No, my brother, you can have mine. Arguing with your kids and shit. Daddy, can I go out tonight?
Were niggas sharing crack in the 80s? I'm about to call my dad and be like, yo, were niggas sharing crack in the 80s?
Yeah, you shared crack. Like, if you was
is crack a social drug? Do you siphon crack or do you just smoke your own
like,
crack?
But if you had like your girl and shit. Like every now and then, like people would rock it up. You have like a little rock star party and then like sit in a hotel room and all smoke krills. But if you had your girl, like that was your job to go get money for crack, and then you get like a rock and you share it and you puff a little longer than she does and she fights you and shit. Then you have crackhead love.
Yeah, crackhead love.
I mean, crackhead. You can't be if you're a crackhead. Whoa, we talking about crackheads on a podcast in 2017?
Yeah, we are. But shout out to them though. Like, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, they're still around. They're still around. They're a marginalized group.
You know what I'm saying?
They've been replaced by opioids.
Protect them.
Opioid people.
Yeah. And it's funny because now, you know what I'm saying? I feel, obviously we've referenced this before, but the opioid epidemic. The opioid
Is that the new? That's a new Final Four NCAA team.
The opioid academics. Like it became an fucking epidemic when it became Yakubians ODing on Oxycontin that went to dope because dope was cheaper. But when it was Titi and Tremel, they didn't give a fuck.
Did no one just realize out of nowhere we was making like 1 trillion times the amount of Oxycontin as we was like at like 5 years ago?
You know what I'm saying?
And nobody was like it's the medical company. The medical company was like, yo, yeah, take these pills.
Take these pills, nigga, fuck it.
And I think Aetna's trying to buy Rite Aid now or some shit, which is that's wild sus. That's like the doctor being the butcher in your town and shit. And the nigga sells you bad meat and you show up like, I think I ate bad kielbasa. He's like, oh wow,
where'd you get it? I mean, don't tell me what you got.
Don't tell me what you get. By the way, I got some steaks on sale. They were left in the back room. They're a little green, but
don't worry about the metallic coloring on the front. Don't worry about that. That's just good. Season.
The world is going to hell, and all the people in charge at the top are looting it. They just want money before they die.
Yep. I thought that was actually happening right now. I was like, right now, no. That's not out of the realm of possibility.
No.
They could fuck around and do it.
Shout out to Bill Browder. He is the most hated man in the world by Vladimir Putin.
Really?
Because he's the guy what's the number one reason? There's 2 reasons people hate people. You're either fucking someone's bitch or you're fucking up their money. That's 2 things. He's fucking up Vladimir Putin's money. He's the one getting the sanctions and shit. And Vladimir Putin got mad money already, but he's so greedy. He's like, I need more. And this guy is trying to enact the sanctions. He got Canada to enact sanctions that Vladimir Putin can't go over there with his boy, and his people can't go over there and get jiggy with the money. And Putin called Interpol and got a warrant out for this guy. Like if he leaves, they could detain him and shit. Because Putin wants to kill him, but he be chilling and shit. So shout out to him.
He'll kill that nigga.
He won't because he's like in safe spaces and shit. He knows. Okay. He also has money, so he has money, so he could go to war with Putin. So. Shout out there. We'll try to get him on the podcast. Imagine you got beef with Vladimir Putin, like on some first name basis shit.
Vlad, he's calling nigga Vlad. Yo, Vlad, what up, nigga? What's good?
Nigga Putin just watching TV like, Bill, just fucking stand this nigga, man. Kill this nigga. I mean, Putin could get anyone in the world killed, and he can't kill this guy. That's too hot. It's too hot. If anything happens to this guy. Sorry. Yeah. Well, we don't really have a president that cares about this, but other countries would be like, whoa, wait a minute.
Yeah. So, like, I feel like we would have to depend on, like, fucking the EU or some shit. You know what I mean? Because what the fuck is Donald Trump going to do? Then he's going to read a blurb on while he's on the golf course.
And he hasn't enacted the Russian sanctions yet, so
he's not going to.
He's not going to. He's not snitching on it. That's like, come on. Yeah, no. Come on.
That's like niggas catch me with a gun and they're like, yo, flip on him.
Nope.
Like, nah.
I'm not talking to nobody. Let me do my time. I'll talk to the judge, and the judge hit you with 20. You be like, what the fuck? I should have snitched. God damn. 20
like,
years.
I'll keep your books right, my nigga.
No, he just Your Honor, he just admitted it. Come on, rewind the tape.
Nah, I do that shit. I do that French Montana Max B
How
shit.
much time would you take for a person? Like, say.
If you got locked up?
Oh, not me. Oh, like, say, I don't know. Say one of your kids shot somebody.
If one of my kids shot somebody, how long would I wait until I like disavow them or?
No, like say one of your kids shot somebody and they're like, yo, dad, I ain't built for jail. Like, I can't do this. Like, you gotta take this rap for me. And they're facing
for my kids, I'll do like 10, 15, 20 joints, depending. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Really?
Yeah, it depends on what it is. Like, if they caught a body, like it depends on where they are in life too. Like, if you're like little pumping it and you're like 16 and you're just on mad drugs, wilding, like go do your 10 joints, come out when you're 10 to 6 and learn about life. But like, I'm also on some like prison abolitionist shit, but we're not gonna get into that. But like, I would do joints for my kids, absolutely. Especially if they're on like the right path and they fuck up one time. Like
one time,
like they get drunk and like run a nigga over, some stupid shit like that, and they kept the manslaughter charge and they got to go to jail, but they're about to go to a D1 school to play basketball or some shit like that or baseball. I gotta take that L for them. I'm like, yo, it was me driving the car, officer. Take me to jail. So my nigga Emery.
You wildin', nigga. Never take no charge for nobody.
Yeah,
you
man.
hear that? You hear that? All you pawn suckers out here, don't get me involved in nothing felonious. I will snitch fast now.
I'm snitching on all you niggas.
Anybody.
Except my kids. That's it. Like, I'll snitch on anybody.
Snitch on Mero's kids.
Like,
I will drive the court. I will drive the jury right up to the front door and be like, this is where they live. There's 4 of them. Don't trust the baby. She's little, but she's shady. I think she's running the whole operation. Just one of your kids on the roof clapping pigeons like,
yo.
They in the cul-de-sac. They in the cul. They in the cul.
In the cul-de-sac.
Just hear it turns into a fucking Waco. Niggas start bucking from the top floor and shit. I'm like, get down! Take cover!
Yeah, check out the 50 cal.
Niggas got the wild ATF agents. Like pinned down behind the shit. I gotta drag one by the leg. I'm like, I told you she had the gun.
Yeah, told y'all niggas, man. She got like a teddy bear as a fucking arm stock and shit.
She's like,
yo,
get off our property! We are independent government. Niggas got their own Mero family flag. I was like, I told you these niggas was radicalized.
Yo.
What the fuck?
Taking over the cul-de-sac. Fuck y'all, nigga.
Like,
fucking.
Niggas just riddle the car with bullets just for no reason. I'm like, yo, they have us. I'm on the phone like, they have us outgunned. Niggas shoot the walkie-talkie out my hand. I'm like, fuck.
Yo, Ramirez, get to the top of the Martinez house. Yo.
Oh, shit.
Shout out that little baby Azalea, though. She's out here, you know what I'm saying? She's busting her gun.
She busting the gun?
Shout out to Nike, though, for sending the custom kicks over. They're beautiful. And now they fit. Appreciate you guys.
Yeah. I mean, kids are cool, right?
Also, shout out to Square Cash for fucking paying my mortgage for like the past couple months. Appreciate you guys.
Okay, you gotta stop talking about your finances, dog. I'm gonna keep it funky. Like I know how much your sprinkler system costs. I know how much your house costs. I know the interest rate on your mortgage. This is stuff people are not supposed to know about your life, my man.
I mean, like
you have to be more private.
I'm switching it up soon, so it's gonna be a whole new set of numbers.
I'm just saying, you just throwing it out there. Also, you looking like a lick. I'm just saying, you throwing numbers out there.
Okay.
And here's the problem. People were like, oh, if Mero's doing that, then Desus is doing that. No, my friend. You got to get your own. Listen, don't you run up in my house. That should look the hood version of Home Alone.
Fair.
I got paint cans that hit you in the face. I got the fucking curling iron on the doorknob. Shoot you in the dick.
The shit is that the suburban cops have absolutely nothing to do, so they just sit around. Like, there's literally probably a cop on my corner right now. They're there 24 hours a day, and they just would love to shoot a home invader because they don't do shit. They just fucking respond to like, it smells like weed at the park. You know what I mean? And they go like, oh, hey, Joe and Julio, guys, get rid of the pot. I'm going to call your parents, like small-time cops.
Hey.
Them niggas love to shoot shit up.
I guess.
So, I mean,
I'm just trying to look out for you, man.
I appreciate it.
Trying to have a little audio intervention. You know what I'm saying? Just trying to step in there, catch a person before they backslide too much, before it gets too low, before you can no longer return to the grace of God.
Yo, listen, man. I'm not gonna talk about money because we don't do that.
Nigga, we don't talk about money. We talk money. You hear me?
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
You catch up if you ain't fucking caught up yet.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what
I don't
I'm
need to talk slow. You need to listen faster.
You know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
You ain't from Russia, so why the fuck is you Russian?
Woo-wee!
You heard me?
I mean, yeah. Being a pimp is not. Remember they had that. What was that?
Being a pimp is mad hard because you got to control the stable of like sex workers and like, you know what I'm saying? Like they may or may not be working for you against their own will. Like that's a very weird gray area. Like that I don't even want to touch with a 10-foot pole.
What I was gonna say is, do you remember the HBO documentary about pimp, like American Pimp?
Yeah, and then on top of that, you got to rhyme everything. Everything's a fucking rhyme.
Not really. They use their backhand a lot. But I was just saying that that documentary made being a pimp look like some pimp shit.
And some cool.
And then when you find out what pimps really do, you're like, oh God, no.
Oh.
Like, why do people? I mean, I guess shout out to him. Why do people hang out with Bishop Don? How is he also a pimp and a bishop? Oh, is he a former pimp?
He's a bishop.
He pulled the Desus. Yes. Got you. Oof.
See, he's turning the life around. See, you too can live like Salvatore Ferragamo. If you too could preach like you was out of your mind, yo. You know what I'm saying? That's right.
I gotta start my mega church. This podcast shit is whack. Gotta get that fucking money.
Mega church is where the real money is.
Yeah, but I'm gonna make my own version of the Bible. That's what. Listen,
that's true. That's what you gotta do. You gotta come up with your own holy book. Get niggas to buy in, and then you're good.
And Jah told Eve, "You can roll Fanta from any tree, but not this tree.
Not this tree."
And Satan came up in his Averex like, "Yo,
son,
nigga, do what you want to do.
Man, come on, man.
You can do what you want to do
and live color."
J-Lo's just pumping behind with her old nose.
Yeah, old nose and a fat thighs. Yeah, girl. Get a girl.
I'm gonna do the Selena body. We see you, J-Lo. Yeah, listen, a Bible. Why do they want Christian shit?
Right?
Okay, that'll be the name of our Christian band. Christian shit. Like, we're gonna be the first Christian rap group that curses.
Yeah. Yo, word up to my nigga Jesus, motherfucker. Yo, word up. You know what I'm saying? My nigga God. You know what I'm saying? That nigga busts his lightning bolts. You know what I dig? You know what I mean?
This is very problematic. We can't do that anymore.
Sorry, guys.
What the fuck?
What?
Jeff Bezos is the richest person in the world again after adding 6.8 to his net worth overnight.
Yep. Oh my God. I told y'all, bro. Did Mero Thomas tell you niggas yesterday that my man is taking over the world?
He's net worth. What do you think? What do you think right now,
bro? 500 billion. I don't fucking know. Like it's something
basically
stupid.
90 billion.
Come on, dog. You like what's the U.S. national debt?
Alexa, what is the U.S. national debt? Psych, we don't use Alexa. That's a Babylon thing.
Yeah.
Ooh, what is this, like 20 trillion or some shit like that?
20 trillion?
No,
right.
Is this more than trillion? Yeah, I think so. But everyone is concerned about the national debt and doesn't understand how it works, and it's just like it's not something you got to worry about.
Yeah, it's not for you.
It's not
your debt.
Like people are like, yo, one day China's gonna be like, yo, where's my money?
Where's my money, dog? Yeah. Hey, where's my money? Where's my money?
Because we got debt, niggas got debt.
Everybody got debt.
Everybody, half of y'all listening to this, all of y'all listening to this got debt. I got debt.
Bro, come on,
you know what I'm saying?
I got like fucking $500,000 debt. You crazy?
There's no way. See? There you go. Getting the finances. Listen, you got to have a little debt. You know what I'm saying? That's just the way the world works. Unless you're stupid popping rich.
Which we are nowhere near.
No one is, you know what I'm saying? Even rich people got debt. They got different types of debt.
Yeah.
They got big debt. That's why American Express, they let you be on the noose and you have no limit on your card. So you can, in theory, buy 3 Range Rovers using an American Express as long as you pay it off at the end of the month.
Yeah.
That's what it is, baby. Listen.
I'm about to step it up to the Amex cards.
It's the big ballers. I mean, within reason. You can't do that. I don't think you could do that with a regular American Express. So you gotta have either like the black card or the topaz or the sapphire or whatever, like the hard joint. Yeah. Where you get the special number when you call, they know who you are and they answer. Hello, Mr. Jesus. How can I help you?
Hi, how you doing? Oh, you want to buy a PJ? Sure. Are you buying a G5?
You be like,
G5. I'm sorry.
Like G8 right
I'm
now.
sorry. Did I call the right number? Did my caller ID come up as broke boy? G5.
Fuck out my face.
You want to buy a G5? You know what? Why don't you just spit in my face and send me home in a Kia?
Huh? Piece of garbage.
G5. I can't wait till I'm outraged over little shit like that.
Yo, is Chris Christie teaching Pilates?
Wow, his pussy thumping?
Wow.
He got he's looking good? What's going on?
Wow, I don't know what the fuck he's doing.
What do you wanna...
Chris Christie said that marijuana is a gateway drug. Oh my God, I haven't heard the term gateway drug since like Dare. Like
drug abuse resistance education.
You know
one of the most fire T-shirts ever.
You know what I mean?
Taught you nothing. Cause basically they were just like, If someone tries to give you drugs, you say no.
Yeah.
Remember Nancy Reagan? Just say no.
Just say no.
And she sat on Mr. T's lap, dressed as Mrs. Claus.
She did.
You know, Mr. T had the wild boner. Like, yeah. That whole Jeff no shit was whack. Because I remember the moment I realized drugs were cool. Mm-hmm. You'll relate to this story. First grade, we run PSA 7 gang, shout out to it. After school at dismissal, from the front door, all the kids would race to the gate. Mm-hmm. And the fastest kid to the gate, you'd win for the day, whatever. And your parents would pick you up. My parents were working, so I'd have to walk home. Shout out all my latchkey kids. Anyway,
squad.
One day we're running to the gate, and you just hear like the wild European whip with the loud pipes pulling up like skirt. It's my cousin. He pulls up in a brand new Maserati, my nigga. Still got the sticker in the window. All off dope money. And at that point, I just threw my books in the way. I was like, fuck school. It's like, fuck this. We gonna get this money. I was like, yo, what's up? You need me to cook for you? You need me to bag up what it is? I had like a Gumby. I had the little blonde shit.
You ready to go.
I had on the fucking Kwame polka dot shit. I was like, hola. I had my G.I. Joes working in the Carter. You know what I'm saying? Niggas out there.
Bruh.
Because I was getting the packs off.
Bro,
he was like, get out of here, little nigga.
That Mozzie's so nice, man. My son did a backflip through the back seat, and it was just like a very comfortable front tumble salt. And he just came out the other end, and it was perfect. And I was like, yeah, this is it.
So are you copping the Mozzie?
I'm deliberating right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm just like, I'm talking to the accountant, seeing where we're at, you know what I'm saying? Like, because like you said, we're not rich niggas yet. We're niggas who make a decent amount of money. Like,
fam, you're talking about copping a Maserati. Like you gotta
when your other expenses are covered and you have a little extra money to play with, like, and then you could be irresponsible with, that's when you do stupid shit like cop a Maserati, cop a TV that's 90 inches, cop a fucking $800,000 drone or some shit to fly around, you know what I mean, and like set off FAA regulations, all types of shit. That's what you do. When you got money to play with, you do dumb shit with it. That's why it's called play money.
3 years ago, did you have play money?
I had zero play money.
Most people do not have play money.
Oh no, I mean, I consider my weed money play money, even though my weed was like essential to cope with life. But like, it was still play money, like money that you like when
Mero,
you're living a real life.
This is your audio intervention.
When you're living a real life, you
don't realize where you are in life right now. You don't.
Like, this is the thing. When you're living like, you know, by meager means or whatever, any money that you use to enjoy yourself is play money. Like, it really is.
So if I have an extra $5 and I use that to cop Reggie, that's the same as using extra money to cop a Maserati?
To scale? Yeah.
Damn.
You know what I mean? Like,
you sound like when people are like Black Lives Matter, you're like, well, all lives matter.
No. But like
nigga, you rich, nigga. Stop it. My God, people listening to this don't know how they're gonna pay their next bill, and they're listening to you try to explain how them copping like guac on their Chipotle is the same as copping a Maserati.
I'm telling you because I also
scale. Nigga said to scale.
Bro, because just expand your scale. Yo, I also was getting the extra guac, painfully getting the extra guac at Chipotle. You know what I'm saying? Like, I also was there a very short time ago.
Be humble.
You know what I'm saying?
Sit down.
So you
humble.
You too can do it. You can do it.
Be humble, Mero.
He's starting a mega church. I'm starting a Tony Robbins shit, like the motivational speaking with the little Madonna microphone. You too can do it. You know what I'm saying? Get focused. It might not work out, and if it doesn't work out, fuck it. But like, try.
We're gonna lose Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
We're gonna lose Mero.
Am I gonna turn a Pharrell before you?
Oh, definitely. Definitely. You're gonna be on some like. One day you're gonna walk in here, and I'm just gonna stare you in your face and be like, something's. Did this nigga get a nose job? Nigga no longer have the.
I'll never
get rid of the Dominican bell pepper?
No, I can't.
Yep.
No, never.
Nigga come in with the wild thin nostrils and shit.
I could never ever.
Oh my God, we're gonna go to Dykeman. This nigga can't eat the fried pig ears because he got like collagen. Can't open his lips.
Will never ever. God is my witness on my kids, on my wife, on my little brownie nigga. Everything. Never.
Yo, you know how?
Never.
Yo,
my nostrils.
The day you see.
Look,
Botox Mero, let me know.
Take a picture of that.
Let me know. Botox Mero is going to be in the building.
Take a picture of that.
Hi.
I might get Botox on my hands because my hands sweat a lot.
Hi.
I'm actually thinking about that. I'm actually thinking about getting Botox on my hands because they sweat a lot. But let me tell you something. This Plátano nose is going to remain intact forever. All my kids got this nose. If I get a nose job, then my kids don't look like me. That's a L. There's no way. Oh, this bell pepper ass early Michael Jackson nose is staying put.
The way you talking right now and your trajectory, you gonna get that nose job, and all your kids gonna get that nose job too.
No,
y'all gonna be on some Dominican Kardashian shit.
No, I can't do it. I can't do it.
Eric gonna be like, look at Azalea's baby pictures and now look at her now. DK, she had mass surgery. How she had mass surgery for a 10-year-old?
So, I sent my kids back to stay with my mom for a week and a half. You know what I'm saying? I gotta recharge my kids. Like they can't. And also like where I'm at right now, it's not that bad. I'm not gonna blow it up, but it's like there's a lot of cool people around. You know what I'm saying? That are from the hood and understand like when you get a little bit of bread, you got to get out of the hood ASAP because like the hood does not love you. Like you might love the hood, but the hood does not love you at all. Like even if you're like the guy in the hood and everybody's like, yo, I'll fuck with you my nigga, there's always at least a handful of niggas that are ready to get you.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? As soon as they see you prospering.
But I mean, if you stay woke,
remember when French came on the show? He was like, and we was like, yo, you still be going through the hood? He's like, nah, nigga, I go through the hood like this. And he threw up the peace sign like, yo, like, no, nigga, like, I'm a millionaire. I'm not chilling on 3rd Ave. Sorry. Unless I'm with, like, my team and, like, whatever like that. Because niggas ain't getting me slipping. Fuck that.
Well, you can't be caught slipping. I'm saying if you from the hood, you're not gonna get caught slipping. That's the problem. People forget they're from the hood and they come back on some Hollywood shit.
That's what I'm saying. Like you can't come back. Like I don't know what rapper it was, but the nigga came around his old hood and was like had bands and upon bands and was just like throwing them around. You don't do that.
Yeah,
that's you don't do that. You don't drive down Fordham on a Lambo with the fucking doors up. You know what I'm saying? You don't do that. That's hot. You know what I mean? But like you still flex. Like you go and you do your thing and you know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Just live your life. Flex for yourself. Flex for yourself. Don't flex for them.
That's the name of your book?
That's the name. That's the Mero Robbins motivational book. Flex for yourself, not for them.
There's a picture of you with no shirt. It's mad Photoshop. You got the wild abs and shit.
I got the Steve Harvey abs and shit. Like, looking like that.
Yo, you can turn your life around and you're just giving like nonsensical advice and shit.
Like, yo, listen, at 8:30 p.m., roll a L so that by the time you smoke the shit at 11, it's nice and it's dry, but it's not dry. You feel me?
Here's what you do. You want to go to Paris? You want to go to Paris, but you don't got the money yet?
What?
Buy a ticket to Paris.
Boom.
Tape it to the roof of your bedroom.
That's right.
Over your bed.
Just look at that shit when you wake up, nigga.
Yeah. You're not going to be able to go, but you got that ticket.
It's right there.
It's right there.
It's right within reach, B.
All right, you paid
$972.
It's worth it.
It's worth it, B.
One day you'll go.
One day.
Up next, we got Pastor Hasan with the baby blessings.
Nigga come to like,
how he have mad like booty cheek models? Like, I mean, at his birthday party.
I'm gonna listen. Is
he gonna reject his father's lifestyle or?
No, this is an outrageous statement. That kid's gonna get a blowjob at like 7. Like, that is like, there's too much going on around him. Like, I'm nervous. Like, he's 2, right? No, this is his first birthday. Yeah, there's too much going on around a 1-year-old. You know what I'm saying? I'm concerned about his well-being. Just like I was concerned about Terrio. I'm still concerned about Terrio. I wake up in the middle of the night, cold sweats, thinking about what's Terrio doing right now. I hope he's not eating ice cream.
You said Terrio. Nigga, what was the last time I thought about Terrio?
I be thinking about kids all the time, bro.
Every team in the NBA has a win except for whom?
The Knickerbocker.
Go New York, go New York, go.
Yeah,
we are the New York Knicks.
Yeah,
we are the New York Knicks. Go New York, go New York, go New York, go New York, go.
They had a quote by KP where he was like, I have no doubt in my mind that we will not win another game. Like, he was misquoted, like he slipped up, but like they quoted that and it was like, bruh. Knicks season in a nutshell.
Listen.
But what's the draft class looking like? What's the top 5 draft prospects for the upcoming year? And if I know any of them by name, I'll be okay.
Top 5. I don't know off the top of my head like that because it's a new season and shit. So
top 5 draft prospects. NBA.
NBA.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't even know how to Google that right now. I'm too drunk. Yeah, fuck the Knicks. I mean, we still gonna. The thing we can say fuck the Knicks. We're still gonna be at Knicks games. We're still watching.
Yeah, of course.
You know what I mean, being in New York, you know. Oh shit! Sorry.
I was like, yeah, FAN. I was like, yeah.
That's like when you're on the Metro North of the LIRR and some white guys fucking
Shit comes on.
my Sharona, my Sharona. You're like, sir, can you, sir? He's like, sorry guys, sorry,
Sorry,
it's
guys.
my wife.
Sorry, guys.
It's my wife.
Sorry, guys.
Helen, hi,
Hey,
sorry, hello.
hey, what's up? Hey.
Yeah, I will have the no, we had rice on Tuesday, so I'll have the
I'll
beef
do-
stroganoff, and
yeah.
if Megan calls the babysitter, maybe later I'll do a little more stroganoff. Take off the Spanx. I want to see your gut.
Yeah.
All right. Pick me up in the Mineola parking lot. All right.
I get some
Love you.
green.
Mwah.
I got some green bean casserole for this.
Shout out to everyone that's on the LIRR cheating on their spouses. That's 90% of the people on there. That's just what you do. That's what you do.
Eh?
Listen, go watch Girl on a Train. That's all you do. You buy liquor. You take commuter railroads either to LIRR or upstate New York. You get off.
Yeah.
That's what it is. And then you get off. You meet the person you're having an affair with at the Oyster Bar in Grand Central.
Right.
You sync up your time.
Okay.
Both of your spouses' phones is calling each other, so you keep them. You laugh, and you're like, ha 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 ha. Right. You finger pop them in the bathroom. Boom, bing bang boom.
That's it.
You get on the 621 to Ronkonkoma.
That's it.
Or maybe you go to New Haven. It's whatever.
Yeah, you want to do the hot chip challenge right now on air?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Hot chip challenge.
Is that the chip?
Yeah. Hot chip
right.
challenge. There you go.
All right.
Let's go and do it.
So this is like ghost pepper?
Ghost pepper.
All right.
Let's go. Damn, these shits are good. You got some goat to go with this shit?
Give me another one.
Yeah.
This ain't even. Are you sure this ain't even hot?
Yeah.
What are these white people lying about on TV?
These are not bugging. These are delicious.
This is a regular Sunday.
This is regular shit.
Are you afraid of the spices?
This is like breakfast spicy. Mm-hmm. Come on, son. Open your sinuses up. Cornballs.
Open your stairwell. How are minorities colonized by people who can't handle spices?
That's what I'm saying. Y'all came here to look for spices. Y'all got them, and now y'all can't handle them? I don't understand.
What spices? And then the thing is, they weren't using spices for food. They were trading it. Like, no one was like, yo, maybe we should use this in our food.
Like, nah, I'm gonna just throw this fucking chicken breast on the grill by itself with a charcoal.
Here, I caught a fish. I steamed it. Boom. We're good.
Oh.
Here, eat this fucking sauerkraut.
You're way more familiar with British food than I am, but it does not look good. I've seen plates of British food that did not look good, like beans and like potatoes for breakfast.
Let me make you claro. British food has gotten much better in the last decade.
Okay.
I believe they won some sort of award recently where they have some of the best food in the world.
Yeah.
London. They have good food now. The beans, that's part of their breakfast and stuff, but you can get regular food there.
Okay.
Their food used to be very bland and flavorless, but they've stepped up their game.
Beans for breakfast, I feel like would knock me the fuck out. Like,
well, they get it right. America gets it wrong. Your heaviest meal of the day should be breakfast because that's powering you for the full day.
Yeah.
Lunch should be smaller. Dinner should be the lightest meal.
Nothing almost.
But instead, Americans, in theory, we start with a light breakfast, a bigger lunch, and a big dinner. In reality, big ass breakfast, big ass lunch, big ass dinner, big ass after dinner thing when you're watching Monday Night Football.
At 4 a.m., yep.
Yeah. No, you gotta start. If you gotta trade your body, you can change your body to. There's people out there that survive off just breakfast alone. You got people that survive off just like 3 hours sleep, but they have like weird cycles and shit.
Yeah.
Human body's amazing. So don't be slandering the beans. I also found beans weird. But I remembered in public school, whenever you get the hot dogs with the beans, I was like, yo
throw the beans
that's
on
mad
top of the hot dog.
Yeah.
Because the hot dog was dry as shit.
Nothing sadder than when you're in jail and they bring out like a meal you had at public school, and you get excited and you're like, oh fuck,
oh shit, niggas
they were
got
programming me.
Niggas got the same pizza.
It's just delicious.
Fuck all y'all.
Shout out to Texas owner of the Texans, Bob McNair, say we can't have inmates running the asylum about the people kneeling. We can't have inmates running the prison. That's why athletes should not be able to kneel. What? The kneeling shit is whack now. Not the kneeling shit, but like the battle about kneeling, because it's just reinforced the fact that old white people run this country and gonna do whatever the fuck they want and don't listen to people. And it just frustrates you because, listen, no one cares. The president is doing whatever he wants. You don't have a full cabinet. Out of like something like 160 or 150 diplomats, we only have something like 90. This country, you don't even have like a rep to. The American government is falling apart. And even football, where the richest black people play, they still got to answer to a richer old white guy.
It's terrible. I don't know how the fuck Trump has anything to do with the private enterprise. You know what I'm saying? Like, does the NFL get government money? The NFL, the Army pays the NFL to run the stupid, like, plane over the field and the flag and all that shit. Like, they pay for that.
But I mean, all these people are Donald Trump's friends. All these people are, they know they've been banging with Donald Trump.
They've been on the teats.
You know what I'm saying? They ain't new to this. They true to this.
You know what I'm saying?
So, you know, how does it all end? How does America end? Probably, my prediction is
it can't end until Cardi B is making $1 million a show.
Okay, that is not the canary that tells us when democracy has reached its expiration point. But I thank you for that.
Yeah.
No, I think we're probably. I think we're a couple of like big terrorist events away from just like probably anarchy.
Yeah.
Not anarchy all over the world, but just like pockets.
Pockets of anarchy, yeah.
There was in the show 24, people forget about this because, you know, show was lit, a lot of terrorism and stuff. At the beginning of like season 4, there were just like something like 20 lone wolf attacks. Like they were blowing up buses. But remember, that show was very anti-Muslim, so they were like, Muslims were blowing up buses and shit.
Yeah.
And I was thinking, like, if there were like 20 separate terrorist attacks in America and it was just like lone wolf shit, like someone just blew a suicide bombing at 34th Street in the afternoon, just when it's mad crowded, and someone blows up a bus in Tacoma and some shit like that. Only takes a couple of those before they gotta do like fucking
a state of emergency everywhere. Yeah. And it's
you
like
know,
that movie Under Siege with
all
Denzel.
those white people just waiting to come outside with their AR-15s because they all think they're gonna protect America. They just want to shoot their neighbors. That's all it is.
Dark Jesus.
Oh, sorry, that's Dark Jesus, y'all.
No.
We're in the last days, like Onyx says, it's the last days.
Last days, nigga, count them down. There's only 5 years left. Remember Busta Rhymes?
People saying Cardi B should play Selena.
That'd be lit. Who could play Selena?
Maybe the best Selena movie ever was already made by J-Lo, and we don't need to remake it.
Yeah, we don't.
All right,
I totally forgot about that.
pay homage. It's the BX.
She actually killed that role.
She did.
Shout out to her.
Damn, wish Selena was still here.
You know what I'm saying? Shout out
See,
to the-
you can't trust her manager killed her. No, the president of her fan club.
Yeah.
It'd be the people closest to you.
Yeah, so yo, Bodega Boys Daily, you better watch the fuck out because I got that thing on me.
Chill. Rebecca's cool. She's not gonna try to kill us. She's cool. Shout out to Bodega Boys Daily. They be holding it down, man. They be having, like, I used to look at the
They got the
Beyonce
Getty
accounts.
images before us.
I was looking at the Beyonce accounts, and I'm like, how the fuck do they? I find out about the Bodega Boys from Bodega Boys Daily.
It's wild.
Like, that's how I found out about the ESPN shit. I was like, oh wow.
Oh, word?
Oh, thank you.
Oh, okay. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
I don't know about that shit. I ain't seen the check yet.
Listen, people, we're coming closer and closer to a new contest. Who wants to be Deez's nicest personal assistant? I have no idea how to do this. I have to give a random stranger my passwords from an email and have them around me.
Yeah. You got to
But
interview
I do
heavy.
need it. Yeah, I do need it.
You got to interview heavy.
It's coming soon.
Just send them to my crib. I'll put them through a boot camp. Like I'll be like, yo, you got to do everything. You got to fucking.
Because then it's like, I don't want someone who's like too attractive.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to have
So
like,
you want this person to assist you like in everyday life things, like yo, go to the bank for me, go get me a Dutch, go whatever, like just overall.
run to the Bronx, go get this package, bring it back to me, all
Right,
that stuff.
okay.
Yo, go meet the gas man, give me some of that gas.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
All that shit I don't want to do.
Yeah.
But then you got to pay this person.
Let me put her through training for a week for you. I have her picking up kids, picking up weed.
Why is it got to be her? You sexist piece of shit.
Because you said it couldn't be someone too attractive. Are you into? I mean, you know, no.
I'm getting money now. Yeah,
It's not a thing.
I'm getting money now. It's energy, dog.
It's energy.
It's energy.
Okay. All right, that's cool.
Because like, what if I mean, listen, who am I? Say a beautiful homosexual chooses me, and he's rich. Like at this point, I'm about building the brand.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Maybe these is strays for like 5 years and shit. Just you know. Listen. When I get the wild prenup and the wild messy trial and shit.
No.
They just be like, yes, Jesus, get your worth.
No.
They're like,
you got two
Jesus,
adopted kids and shit.
Jesus'
like,
ex-husband has to pay him $50K a month. I'm like, pay what you're worth. I did emotional labor, nigga.
yo, I stay home with them 2 kids.
Those are my kids. They're like, Jesus, do you want custody of them? No.
Hell no.
Hell
Fuck
no.
outta here. Something she's a Mero's crib.
Everyone's like, Jesus is dating an Arab guy. All right, you sisters need to get your shit together. I'm dating a guy Rihanna used to date.
Yeah.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
At the end of the day, it's not about love. It's not about monogamy. It's about your combined net worth.
That's true.
That's it.
That is
Listen,
a fact.
I thought love would get you through mad things. I thought Commitment? No. If
No.
y'all niggas got money in the bank, y'all could get through anything.
You're
I
good.
refuse. Listen, Tamar and your husband, y'all could have gotten through shit if y'all wanted.
If you wanted to, but
Listen,
they don't want to.
I think most people's problems, their problems are bigger than their bank account.
That's what it is.
Because your bank account get big enough, you jump in that bitch like Scrooge McDuck and forget
That's
about the
it.
shit.
Fuck it.
That's
Like, yo,
like-
look how much money we got. Just
You
let's
could
not
pay
fuck this
shit
up.
You know what I'm saying?
You want to give the lawyers half this shit? Nah, let's not do
fuck
that.
Are you stupid?
Come on.
Look how much we got together. You hate me that much? Look how big this fucking apartment is. You live on that half, bitch.
Niggas got the tape in the middle like that.
The middle is like your apartment is a whole block long and shit. I'm like, what are you upset about? You can't even hear me. I'm all the way in the West Wing.
I gotta use the intercom.
I'm gonna go visit our child. I'm taking the elevator.
Niggas out there in a fucking jumperoo fucking room and shit. Everything's made out of trampolines.
Oh shit. Yeah, man. So you know, we're halfway between either going full socialist and trying to like blow up the country, or going full 1%. I don't know. Where you at right there?
Low key, like, I feel like a combination of both is possible in 2017, where you could like present yourself as like mad anti like 1% and shit, but still enjoy the luxuries of being a 1%er until you get blown up, because then people got cameras and people finally around and they'll be like, you're you know what I'm saying, you're a socialist, but you driving around on a Lambo, nigga. Word? That's how you feel?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So I don't know. I don't know where I'm at right now. I don't want, like, I would like to have 1%er money, but then be philanthropic with that money and put it back in the Bronx. You know what I'm saying?
Then you won't have 1% of money much longer.
You know what I'm saying? But, you know, but then there's loopholes and shit. That's why you got to get a good accountant, because then they'll be like, yo, listen, if you do this and you rebuild this wing of this school, like, it'll cost you X amount of money, but you'll get X amount of money back on taxes. You know what I mean? It's a great look for you. It's a good, but you know, you got your PR people telling you it's a great press look. Then you get another thing, and then you're hosting a thing at a hospital for fucking $1 million. And that's how the fucking cookie crumbles in the entertainment industry. You just got to make the right moves.
Okay, I mean,
you know?
Bernie Sanders just listening to that like wrong.
No. Everybody gets $100 a week. That's it. That's how we're going to do it.
Shout out to Bernie, though.
No shout out to him.
He was at Starbucks engaging in capitalism.
No shout out to Bernie, no shout out to Hillary, no shout out to any politicians. The system failed. We must destroy it from the inside. Damn, you know what the problem is? I'm becoming more woke as I'm getting money, and like this shit is bullshit.
The worst thing you could do as you get money is become more woke.
Yeah.
That is like the absolute worst thing you could do. I'm trying to go backwards.
Nah. This shit is all bullshit. You're making entertainment to cotomize people and make them distracted while the world burns. You understand that's what we do?
Yeah.
That's all we do. We're bred in circuses, my guy.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, at least we inject a little bit of like
levity.
Well, not levity, but just like
we are the court jesters dancing in the streets while they collect bodies in the Black Plague. You understand that?
Listen, I'd rather be a court jester than a dead body. Think about that.
Which one's luckier?
You know what I'm saying? Depends on how you die. If you die in sleep peacefully, then that's one thing. But if you're like fucking
think about you die with self-respect rather than playing a fucking lute in the street with bells on the end of your house, and you got green tights on, like hula hula hula, bring out your dead, bring out. And they're gonna be like, is that a Dominican jester? That's wait a minute. He caused the plague.
Yeah,
you're like 20. You run in playing the lute. Like
I'll be like, I'll weigh the pros and cons. But then when I'm at Mama Sushi playing the lute, smoking hookah and shit.
There's no Mama Sushi during the Middle Ages.
There has to be.
There was not.
Yes, there was.
The Dark Ages of Dykeman was a terrible time.
No.
There was no reading. They didn't have hookah technology.
They had hookahs, man.
They did not.
Trust me. There's artifacts. Go to the fucking MoMA.
They did not. They had no hookah. Hookah wasn't invented until like 1998.
Yo, shout out to the Middle East though for inventing hookah. I want to find out where was hookah invented exactly. Shisha. Morocco? Sounds Moroccan.
How did you guys look at you people? You don't even know what hookah is, but yet y'all want to smoke it OD. You have a little I know fucking baby running around and shit. Supposedly, it was a water pipe was invented in India.
Oh, in India. Okay. Shout out to India.
But they also saying from Persia.
Okay.
Or Egypt. I feel like Persia sounds like the like a better
Egypt?
place.
Isn't Persia Afghanistan? What are they talking about? Or Iran? Persia's Iran.
Yeah.
Yeah. What the fuck are you talking about?
Well,
Persia?
that's an old name.
Why are you trying to make it sound fancy?
Persia is Iran's stripper name. Like, stop making it hot. What the fuck, dog?
Yo, shout out to all the shorties that be like, I'm Persian. Put Iranian, man. Keep it funky.
Are you, if someone puts in their, hypothetically speaking, back page ad, regular white girl or regular black girl, you're like, ah. If they're like, I'm from Cape Verde, I'm from Persia.
Cape Verde and Persia.
You know what I'm saying? Cape Verde, Dominica, not Dominican.
No.
New to town. I'm like, new town, but that's 347 number.
Yeah, you know the town, bitch. You got 718 landline.
How you visiting? Yeah. How come I can't text you? It's clearly a landline. You live here, bitch. What's going on?
Warning: if you are law enforcement, you must let me know. It is against the law to entrap me.
How does that even work?
I expect only monetary compensation for time provided, not for anything else. Thank you very much. No tax.
Oh God!
Shout out to everybody out there getting some roses. You know what I'm saying?
Do they do Bitcoin yet?
Sex workers?
Why you being all fucking PC now, nigga?
You gotta say sex workers. You can't say hookers anymore, bro.
There's other words you could use.
Prostitute? It just sounds bad. Prostitute. Yeah. Like I heard that shit on TV the other day. I was like, I cringed a little bit.
You know what? That happens a lot because like sometimes during the interviews, people say words, and if you watch the tape, our faces cringe. Like, you can't say that.
Like, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't remember what it was, but it was just like. I guess it was innocent enough, like, if you don't understand what you're talking about, but, like, niggas talk about deals and, like, and resellers and shit talking about, yo, niggas rate me on this deal. Like, bro, you, like, that's a harsh word. You know what I mean? Like, it's a triggering word for a lot of people. So, like, let's find the synonym.
You know what? Shout out to Hebden and Trace because back when I was, I think it was Desus versus Mero, and they were asking me about my deal, and I was like, yeah, they're trying to, they was like, whoa, you can't say that. And I was like, oh, shit. Like, up until they said that, I had not realized I was not woke. I think I had fuzzy braids at the time too. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Niggas living in different lifestyles. When niggas is dusty, niggas don't care about being woke.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yo, listen to me. Don't go into like, yo, if you
not making passes for niggas, but ignorant niggas have other shit to worry about.
Come on, man. Like, bro, if you're worried about more about like
pressing issues, and shit.
Like how am I gonna pay my bills? How am I gonna eat tonight? Like, you're not really concerned.
It's like when you see kids in the hood on a train and they're like OD using the N word and shit, and they're not black, and people's like, you shouldn't use that word, and they're like, yo, my father beats my mother, like I don't give a fuck. That's where you get to suck my dick from.
Yeah.
You know?
You know what I'm saying?
You gotta know how to talk to kids. You gotta see what their problems are.
Come on, dog.
You know what I mean?
Kids are the future.
That's why we got to be excellent academy. We know how to talk to those sea urchins. We know how to grab people in the hallway and shake them like, Lamar, don't do this.
Don't do this, yo. You at the Pink Rain Art Academy. Shout out to Anna Sosa, yo. You doing big things, man. You got a future. You got a bright future.
You too could be a big baller brand, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Never lost. That's the graduation. I'm proud of y'all. Y'all never lost.
No, never lost.
Excellent Academy, never lost, baby.
Niggas is 2-13 in the division.
Big bad, Excellent Academy.
Yo, we gotta start a basketball team. We gotta start the basketball team and coach them.
Oh, what's the name of the basketball team?
Come on, man. The Bronx Baller Brand.
Bronx Baller Brand? Oh, the Bronx Buck 50s?
The Bronx Buck 50s?
Yeah. Damn, that's a fire jersey.
Yo, it is.
Oh, wow. Watch Fab show up with that shit tonight at a club.
Oh, wow.
Bronx Buck 50s. Yeah, we gonna work on those jerseys. Yeah.
Holla.
Yeah. In the cut. The Bronx Gem Stars. Ooh. So we get the wild cease and desist.
Yeah, they're gonna be like, yo, Joe.
They're gonna be like, you guys are trying to.
That's not the.
You're talking about violence.
It's not the intended purpose of our product.
Oh, what? Cutting niggas' faces and cutting. Listen, you could do a lot with a $1.50. You could like cut up coke.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Chop up a rock.
Yeah.
Cut someone's face. Pick a rock.
Bro. You can fucking.
If you're Jamaican, you could use it to pick your teeth like a toothpick.
Absolutely.
Scary one on the train.
I've seen my mom do her eyebrows with that shit.
Yeah.
In a pinch.
With no water. On the train, like
straight up, like straight developing nation flow. Valentino.
Oh, Texans founder apologized. I regret that I used that expression. He's apologizing for saying inmates run into prison. I never meant to offend anyone, and I was not referring to that to our players. I used a figure of speech that was never intended to be taken literally. I would never characterize our players or our league that way, and I apologize to anyone who was offended by it. And I caught the vapors, and I almost fainted. I had to be taken to my fainting room, and I said, I declare, these brute folks Negroes thought I was talking poorly about them. I, a Southern gentleman, would would never talk about Negroes, especially my Mandingos, in such a terrible way.
I swear to God, these niggas is haters.
I went out my way to not use the N-word, and this is how these niggas act.
What?
I regret the day I purchased you, and I keep receipts. I will bring you back to Best Buy for slaves.
Damn.
You know what? Slavery was fucked up.
No.
Yes.
Yeah,
Don't
it
eat
was
it.
fucked up. Yeah.
Don't eat it. That's out there.
Yeah.
But there were people out there like, yo, I'm setting up a store so you can buy more slaves. Like, it's one thing if you own slaves, but if you setting up the C-Town for slaves,
You're on the next level.
like they got locked up for the night and shit.
Like, yo, y'all niggas go in the fridge.
Yo.
Like, what do you do? Go lay in your cot? Like, what the fuck? I never been to one of them things. Like, that's my growing up in New York
That
City.
shit will get you tight. Don't ever go to like any plantations or anything.
Yeah, you been to
Don't
one?
go to no. I got tight because I stayed in Virginia in a motel called the Plantation Motel, and I was like, nah, we're not staying in this shit. My father was there. The rates are cheap.
He's like, nigga woke up, they made him work and shit. Like, oh, no, this is what I
You
signed
just
up
had to
for.
clean the pool and shit.
Like, nah, this ain't what the fuck
Nah, when
I
you go
want.
to those shit, you feel like karmic energy and shit. You be getting tight. And then you see like white people on the tour are just like, hey, this is history and
What's
shit.
so
You just want to
whimsical?
duff them out. They ask stupid questions.
Fucking dare you, nigga.
They're like, so, like, how much cotton did they pick? And you're like, all right.
All right, you know what?
All
Get the
right,
fuck
Miss
outta
Johnson. Come on, take off the fanny pack. We're squaring up.
Here. We'll square up, bitch.
We
Let's
from
get it.
Arlington? Yeah.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
about to forget this Alamo.
Put up your dukes. Yeah, now it's wild. I've never been.
never been?
I've never been. I've been to shit that's like depressing in DR where it's like, yo, this is where thousands of like natives were slaughtered by Columbus and his men and like whatever. And that shit is like mad depressing, but at the same time, it's like there's mad monuments to him out there.
We're gonna do a show where we follow.
Can we go and destroy like all the Christopher Columbus monuments in DR?
Sure, why not?
And just blow them up and shit?
No one's watching them. Why
Yeah.
not? Because we like the hurricane did.
Yeah, we just pull up.
We'll do that. We gotta destroy more monuments. We have to rid the world of the Confederacy and the alt-right. And I was gonna say overthrow the government. I'm pretty sure Square Cash and Nike do not want me to say that. So,
Yeah, and Red Sox fans.
oh, Red Sox fans gotta go too.
Yeah, all of them.
Some of them are cool.
Some of them are cool. Okay, we'll give you. We got like 20 slots for
Red Sox fans, that's like our real rivalry. People was like, oh, we got a rivalry with the Astros. I was like, no, we don't.
We can fucking ride with the
don't.
Astros, bro.
That's like, we fought the Astros once in the club. We don't
Come
fucking
on,
remember that shit.
fuck out of here. Yo, the Astros have been Astros for like fucking 20 years. Like, and that's all y'all did is build and be ass and ass and ass like the Sixers. Be ass for mad years.
You have to turn to Big Sean and shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, ass, that's an ass state. Niggas is trash for mad long. Of course, when you're trash for mad long, you get draft picks and you build a good team. Stupid. And then you get a fucking Colombian midget to fucking lead the league in hits every year for 10 years in a row.
Listen, Mike Francesa said he's not that good.
He's not that good. The guy's 5'5". He's a fucking midget. He's a piece of garbage. Pardon my language, but he's just an idiot. I mean, a guy walks into the batter's box is bigger than him. What do you want to do? You say put your feet shoulder length apart. The guy's shoulders are 2 inches apart. What is he gonna do? Huh? He's not gonna hit on your balls. Aaron Judge is the GOAT.
He really is. He was at the Nets game with
He got more strikeouts than Bill Simmons predicted, but Bill Simmons could suck my dick from the back because y'all niggas is sufficient in Cape Cod.
I mean, that's true.
You went to-
Dodgers is. I mean, it's tied up right now, but I think
Shout out to los Dodgers, ese. Échale con ganas, güey. Vamos, Dodgers. Vamos, Dodgers, güey. Simón. Échale con ganas, güey.
Wow.
Shout out to the Mexicans, you know what I'm saying? I hope that was Mexican enough for y'all.
That was not. Nothing's better than when we were on the West Coast and you pass some Mexicans and be like, get okay. They're like,
What?
crickets.
Crickets. That's what we using the Mexican slang with them niggas. Like, échale, güey, con ganas, dale.
And they're like,
Órale, güey, vamos.
they're like, you're Dominican, aren't you?
Yeah.
I'm like, I was like, listen.
I'd be like, yo, nigga, the same way you know 5 of my words, I know like 10 of your words, man. Come on, let's
There
keep
you
it
go.
funky.
There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
And meanwhile, I'm like,
We all
oh, you're
family.
cousins. Well,
Is it the same with like if you go to like Bermuda or like Trinidad and shit, like niggas is good, like, oh, I got you 100%? Or is it
Yeah.
like variations in slang and shit?
variations of slang. Like certain islands have certain words they use that other islands don't use as much.
Why do Trinidad dudes call each other boss constantly?
No, that's a West Indian thing.
That's a West Indian thing?
That's definitely
In general?
that's actually because you know what it shows you respect.
Mm-hmm.
It shows familiarity, but it also is like, yo, don't get shit twisted.
Yeah.
Also, sometimes you could use it condescending, like, oh, pardon me, boss man, I'm trying to get through. It's like you should move your big ass out the way.
Fuck out of here.
Yeah, and then you got like little words like if you go to Guyana, they use like mother skunt.
Oh, mother scunt.
Love that word.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
that word.
Yo, I was mad. Like, yo, when you're like 10, 11 years old, like, and you meet people and you like, you trying to ascertain like where they come from or whatever like that. Like, I had a friend named Sean who was Guyanese or whatever, and my man had a gold tooth in the 7th grade. I'm not lying.
Yeah, I believe it.
And we fucking we used to chill at his crib after school and shit and like whatever. So we over there chilling, whatever, playing Nintendo, Super SNES, whatever the fuck, and the nigga loses and he's like, mother scunt! And he starts talking like wild Jamaican. And I'm like, yo, nigga, I thought he was Jamaican. But then, like, there's mad pictures of, like, Ganesh and, like, all this other shit around the crib.
He had to stick with the flags in the yard. Yeah,
I was like,
about Indies, about Chinese.
I was like, what's going on over here? I thought you, like, Indian cat, you thing? He's like, Guyanese nigga. He's like, yo, I was like, I don't know what that is.
Yeah. Nah, my high school girlfriend, Marcia, she was from Guyana. She still called me mother scunt. I was like, all right. That's probably not a good term. Yeah. Had it coming. It's whatever.
If you hear mother and cunt vaguely in the same phrase, then it's like probably not good.
Yeah, a lot of any term that starts with mother.
Yeah.
In West India, it's not good. It's not a term of endearment.
No.
Like Boys to Men has a song called Mother Scunt. Suck your mother
scunt. Yo. Woo. That's right, ball bags. We're here.
I mean, we're here. We're queer. Get used to it. That's a very sassy saying.
Yo, right?
That's like what do you even say to it? They're like, we're here. We're queer. Get used to it.
Get
You're
used to it. Like, I mean,
all right, that's shit.
I guess
the only answer you got for that is because somebody was probably like, it's Adam and Eve, not Adam and Steve.
Oh yeah.
And then somebody was like, we're here. We're queer. Get used to it. And it was like, damn, they won.
I didn't have a backup.
Niggas, I thought that was the kill shot.
Damn.
It's like when in a fight when niggas throw all their energy to one punch and then they got nothing left for the rest of the round.
Oh shit.
It's like, damn, the gays got me.
Niggas eat that. The gays got me.
The gays got me. Fuck it. Regroup. Come up with something. It's horses eat hay. Don't be gay. No, that's stupid.
Damn, fuck. Sorry. Damn it,
Jared.
They're
taking Stonewall. What are we doing?
Come on, Jared. Think of something better.
They're taking the village. We're gonna lose it. The Gay Wars coming to PBS.
The Gay Wars.
Well,
directed by Ken Burns.
Ken Burns does everything. Is there anything Ken Burns can't do?
Nah, he could literally. If you were like, yo, Ken Burns, do a Bodega Boys documentary, he'd make that shit 18 hours long.
And we'd find out new information about ourselves.
We didn't even know.
Oh, man. Yes. Shout out to everyone that's in Slack right now. We'd just like to point out Slack is a Babylon ting.
Babylon ting.
Think about it.
Babylon ting.
Well, the worst thing you could be as a Jamaican is deal with slackness. Why would you embrace a Slack channel? No.
Are you mad?
It's gonna channel your slackness.
No.
Sounds like a duppy ting. So if you're at work and they're like, yo, hit me in the be like, no, Babylon ting. If you say things are a Babylon ting and you say it with enough conviction, you can go to HR and be like, no. Like, no, I cannot do these 9 a.m. meetings. It's against my religion. It's a straight Babylon ting.
It's pure Babylon ting, you know?
They'll be like,
are you sure?
You're from Iowa?
I don't understand, Tyler.
So me say.
So my God, so then. I don't really care about your meeting.
You put up a little shrine to Sean Paul at your desk, just really confused with shit. He's a patron saint in our religion. I won't be coming in tomorrow. It's the festival. Just give me the light.
Yeah. Oh,
they're like, why were you late? What's that on your forehead? It's the ashes of Dutchie.
Yo, Dutchie.
Shout out to Sean Paul, rest in peace.
Yo. Nah, fuck out of here. I was like, no, don't kill Sean Paul.
He died in the Gulf War, I told y'all.
That's my guy.
No, was that super? Wait. Yeah, Sean Paul died in the Gulf War. We killed him. That was really good. You missed that episode. It was really good. He was confused. He was like making patties, like, what the fuck? I'm dead. Yo. Listen, dog, it's been episode 86, man.
That's right, my niggas.
Episode 86. Shout out to add 1 to 86. Shout out to 85 South. Pop the podcast, the homies over there.
Yeah.
This has been 86.
Shout out to Carlos, shout out to DC.
Yeah. Episode Chico.
Yeah, Chico to God.
It's been episode 86 of Bodega Boys in
That's
the
right,
building.
motherfucker.
We in the building like the Amazon key, just stepping into your house, delivering the package, going to the bedroom, watch your kids sleep.
Yeah.
Put my pointer finger on her mouth.
Yeah.
Touch her hair.
Shh. Keep it quiet. Don't wake up. That's so creepy right now.
Don't wake up. And the guy's like, I'm watching you through the camera deliver my Amazon package. I'm like, shh. I just turn down the volume on it like, shh.
Chill. Make it hot.
Lullaby. Go to sleep.
Go.
When you wake up, I'll be here. White genocide Christmas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Riding through the snow, pocket full of hay. All the way to God, and grandma's how we slay. Loyalty, brotherhood, loyalty, brotherhood. I feel my remnant. It's like, yo, this is the loudest Christmas card. We're doing this shit by the Rockefeller tree. They're like, yo.
They're like, hey, at least it was better than Mariah.
I was about to make stage joke. It's your boy, Jesus Nice, a.k.a. Jesus Vice, a.k.a. Young Chipotle, a.k.a. Pocket Steve, Fat Lake Terrio, Chris Stafford, Sling Dick, Eli Lippy, Boochers Willie Gully, some of that might know your bitch, Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Take Fuego, Mr. Nando's with Orlando, Mil 974, Mikhail going off the Juve boss, MC, Lico, Gunga, P. Put up for 40 with your shorty, a.k.a. Don't talk to me in the Upu. I fucking know you. The original +1 guy, +1, so don't make a fuss, son. Jesus Rothstein, the Jamaican Jew. Listen, spin my dreidel.
Hey.
Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa. The Ghost of Mufasa. Young Chuck Coolery, we got the Coolery, a.k.a. Chili Limon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Okay.
Papi, estaba ali anoche, estaba ali.
Remember that time we played against the Astros and I put a little picante inside my dick?
Oh
Ooh.
my God, the shot had me spicy.
I was on the DACA. Vike Makuzaka, 3 Phone Jones, Jesus X Machina, Jay Chuckles, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Banner's label, Dalut. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240p, because I like my Pinot blurry.
Yeah.
And I get really upset when, the live Jasmine thing pops up behind the back. And
It's mad
sometimes,
loud and shit.
like,
Oh, fuck, bro.
a thing will pop over the overlay. And even though I press play, I can't press play because an overlay comes and I can't really jerk it, but it's the thing. DJ Woolite, aka listening to Wash FM. Up next, we have a 4-hour mega mix of dramas. Left, right, left. Yes, left, right, left. The Curry Goat, DJ Spicer, Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx Celine Dion, Ray nephew, the Marino, you cannot contain the Herman Meme, word to Ja, Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budcuts, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio can't see me, open your eyes, can't see me still. Vladimir Buffin, the human Werther's melting in your mouth. Mr. Bex on Decadent, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morrissey, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got the cucumber, the juices are pressed, but your boy never is. I am the art dad, not a good news. No more cups and noodles, no more. They're high in sodium.
No.
I can eat real food now.
No.
That was a bad part of my life.
Real ramen now.
Yes.
Not the made up shits.
The Prince of Peckham is gentrified now. It's not as impressive as I thought it was going to be, but fuck it. The Fashion Nova Casanova. Show me a camel toe man. Take a picture for the gram. William H. cent, 5 cent, 10 cent dollar. I'm in the UN forget the small change. Give me big money one. And I know we're not going to rebuild your little Virgin Islands. Get the fuck out of here. The original anthem. The only anthem I salute is Dipset.
That's right.
Mr. Saga. Catch me at square one. Top left.
Yo.
Trill Rizzuto. Holy cow.
Holy cow, that's out of here.
Catch me at the money store. Mr. Soft Palms, because all I do is count checks and jerk off. Mr. Shopping that street easy with a bad breeze like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. The black Asiatic addict will crack your back like an automatic Craftmatic. Mr. La Marina in a mesh marina with a fresh misdemeanor and a cold demeanor. AKA, you're problematic, babe. Don't get a babysitter. Leave the kids in the car.
Yeah. Just open the sunroof. We'll be all right. It's your fucking boy. This is episode 86. And when they say 86, nigga, they say...
That's when they throw you out on
throw you out the shit.
When you bartending,
You know what
they're
I'm
like
saying?
somebody don't give the 86 them.
86 them. Don't get 86, nigga. But we coming back for 87 next week, so don't get fucking worried, because we'll be back. It's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Dura 5, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. Check out Big Up Mix Pack, a.k.a. Skirt Loader, a.k.a. Jason Fantic. I'll ghost on you, shorty, a.k.a. I know fucking baby, I fucking man. Look at my dad, man. Look at my ass shots, a.k.a. check this guest, motherfucker, guess this again, nigga. My name is definitely on that shit. I'm not saying my government out loud, nigga, because I'm not just anybody. Boy, I gotta watch my back, because I just ain't not anybody. I motherfucking do that stupid little claw machine, nigga, until I get that little stupid emoji shit. Because you know why, nigga? Because I'm the fucking dad of the year, a.k.a. Best Mac Young Boy, a.k.a. Phil the Ass Tyson. I'm trying to feel your cosmos, ma. A.k.a. Friday No Messi MVP of La Mota, a.k.a. Tom Brazier, shorty got my balls type deflated. I'm still not getting suspended, though, because I'm the god. A.k.a. the Dominican Don Dada, a.k.a. Barlo Santana. My cock is so smooth, I just shave my balls. A.k.a. Dick in your Bama Tumbo. You not coming this pussy no more. This pussy belong to me. Okay?
That's my wife, though.
No. You not come here no more. That's it. AKA, Ben Boss and my hands are gifted. I'll replace your cerebral cortex with a YouTube channel of a Filipino woman opening toys. Now you'll have an extremely high viewership. AKA, Light Nell Dutchie. Hello? Is it weird you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes.
that you broke ass and got 5. And I don't even think that's weed that you got that you trying to chip in, nigga. That's a blue bag. That might be Angel Dust. So keep that shit. AKA, I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet, nigga. Please secure your benzos. Cause it's the Zen Man. AKA Rico Sabroso. AKA Baby Nupo 245. AKA Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks. AKA Neil Brown, sit the Carter down. AKA East Tremont Stevie B. Pull your titty out of Cortona Park, ma. Cause I wanna be the one your titty is sucking. AKA, man, dog, this is like my 3rd week here. OKC is boring as fuck, dog. Like, I don't know. I shot a cow and shit, but you know what I'm saying? It is what it is, bro. You know who it is. Barmelo's Anthony.
For 3. He has a membership for the Grain Museum.
Oh, God.
Look for that this weekend.
God damn. Yeah, you know who it is, mate. Drinking tea. My vocal cords is right, boy. It's the plantain supernova in the sky. Someday you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. In the Mozzie listening to Little Pump.
Gucci gang.
Hey, gang. If you see me at Target, dog, respect my agency and do not inquire about the contents of the cart undercarriage. Approach me like a motherfucking bear, nigga, before I claw your face off. You know what I'm saying? Hasan, tírame la fita que estamos activado. ¿Qué fue? Llegaron los Tigers, mamagüeva, sasasasasasazo. Ando con más tabla que un carpintero, el Mero, y yo con la paca y tú con la cuenta en 0. ¡Ja! Le llegaste. Llégale la grasa a la guasacaca. Mámame el huevo por detraca y trágate la matraca asquerosa. I just said man foul shit.
You know what? I don't know enough Espanol to know what you said, but I do know that if I paid for a legal copy of Rosetta Stone, a lot of those words would not be taught to me, and I could not use them. I feel like there are people out here learning words from you, and then they're stupidly putting on their resume that they are bilingual, and they're meeting their boss, and it's like, "Good morning, Mama Huevo." Well, as you can see, I am fully versed in Microsoft Office and Conyo 2.0. As always, shout out to the sponsors: Red Bull,
right.
K2,
Square Cash.
Mix Pack, sure, why not?
Mix Pack.
ESPN, Nike,
You know what I'm saying?
Carmen San Diego,
You know what I mean?
Mega Man,
True.
Who else? Tonka,
Popeye chicken tenders.
the gas station, not Mask, but the gas station that they ran. Remember Mask?
Yeah,
that gas station. They sponsor us. The people that funded all the G.I. Joe's money. Was G.I. Joe getting money from the government? Would they have all that money for weapons and shit?
That's true.
And they didn't have they didn't have bullets. They had like lasers and shit.
Niggas had lasers
in the
early in the
80s. Also,
Yeah.
shout out to Cobra being one of the worst terrorist organizations ever. Because every time they did an attack, but they were before the game because you didn't have social media.
Yeah.
Because now ISIS could blow some shit up and be like, "Yo, tweet, it was us." Cobra had to do the shit and yell their name the whole time they was doing it. Like, Cobra, it's Cobra, nigga. Cobra did this.
Yo.
Cobra did this. Is Cobra's work.
And it was mad corny because like Cobra Commander had the mad corny voice. He's like, Cobra, I'm the Cobra Commander. Attack.
And was like, "Do you really think he should be the spokesperson for our organization?"
Come on,
like, he has a voice for radio. That's what I'm saying.
It's terrible. It's terrible. Can
Also, the helmet, like, what the fuck is that?
I can't even see his face.
Does he have like acne?
Can we get Wanye Morris to do these intros?
This is terrible. This is terrible. Also, like this guy over here, he's a skier. Like we're going on a desert mission. Like why is he even on the thing?
Why is he with us?
And G.I. Joe has like a pop. They have like a gay sailor with a parrot.
What's going on? Who's this guy with the ninja stars and no gun? Why is he coming with us?
He won't talk. He says his name is Snake Eyes. I don't know what is this. Next week we're gonna do a whole deep dive on how problematic G.I. Joe was and how it lacked diversity.
Yeah.
Watch BuzzFeed beat us to the article.
Oh, man. Do it.
Anyways, been episode 86.
86,
You know what I'm saying?
bags.
When this comes out, you listen to it, you enjoy it.
Yeah.
You say thank you, benevolent God, for
You're
creating
welcome.
content. You're welcome,
welcome.
ball bag. First time, long time.
That's right.
I'm gonna hang up and listen.
Enjoy yourselves.
Have a good weekend.
Pieces of garbage.
Or a good Monday, whatever it is.
He love you. Go fuck yourself. Go kiss your uncle.
If you see Mero come through with the Maserati, jump in front of it. We out.
Because I'm going to keep going.